and I think today we are having open session for week 3. So what I do, I just share my screen and I collect doubts, conceptual as well as the if you have any doubt in either in activity, practice, or graded assignment. Let us see how much I can help you in graded assignment questions. But yeah, mostly for the activity and practice assignment questions, and as well as the conceptual doubts if you have. So let me share the screen. So my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. So I have this for problems. If you have any doubts in activity, practice, questions, or either in last week graded assignment question, if you have any doubt. So please, the same way I will proceed. Please raise your hand, and I will try to clear your doubts one by one. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. I will call your name according to the sequence you have raised. And I will write the doubts here so that if someone is having same doubt, they want to ask again. Yeah, so I have Tripti. Yeah, Tripti.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in graded assignment.
Uh,
Mhm.
Graded assignment, you are having doubt in week 2.
Yes,
Graded assignment, question number
8.
Okay, good. Question number 8. Good. Okay. Good. Yeah. So you have more doubts? No?
No, sir.
Oh, good. Yeah. So next, you can lower your hand. And then if we have Rudransh Mathur. Yeah, Rudransh.
Sir, I have doubt in graded assignment question 6.
Of week. Which week?
Graded assignment week 2.
Question number
6.
Okay, good. Okay, question 6. Okay, let me go through 6,8. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then you can lower your hand. Okay. Then we have Anshi Jan. Anshi? Anshi, am I audible? Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, I think Anshi is not able to hear me. Yeah, so if you have, any technical issue, you can rejoin. Maybe it will work if you are not able to speak, or if because we are clearly not able to hear you. Okay, you can rejoin. Okay, she has put message in chat. It will be hard for me, but yeah. So graded assignment question number 8 of which week? Week 2 or week 3? Because week 2 question number 8 I have already uh, wrote on the sheet. Yeah, her mic is not working. Okay, good. So which week you are having doubt, Anshi? Okay, by the time she writes, Acha, week 2. So I have already wrote. So yeah, your doubt is already mentioned here. Okay, good, no problem. Yeah, then we have Devanshu Bhattanagar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I have doubts in first non-graded assignment 6, question number 1 of week 2.
question number of week 2. Okay,
Yes,
practice
sir.
assignment you are talking about.
Yes, sir. Practice assignment.
Question
No,
number
sir. Practice assignment, not non-graded assignment. Those which are after the lectures.
activity questions.
Yes, sir.
Activity question. Tell me question number.
question number 1. Activity question
Or-
number 1, activity paper 6.
Okay, so 2.6 question number 1.
Yes, sir, 2.6. And practice assignment week 2, question number 3, 8, and 9.
Week 2
Sir,
only.
I'm really sorry
Yes,
to
sir, week
interrupt.
2.
Huh. Yeah.
Sir, today we have got a notification about the mock test, and I don't know where we have to search that mock test.
We do not have any mock test. From where did we get mock test?
No,
So
sir,
we have
actually,
statistics.
Statistics. I don't
Yes.
know then. I mean, maybe you can talk to the respective instructor, maybe, or just write a mail to them, no, support team. Yeah.
okay. Sir.
Okay, so practice assignment question number.
Sir, week 2, question number 3, 8, and 9.
3, 8, and 9.
Yes,
Practice. So did you go through the solution of the practice assignment?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. I actually the solution was not showing there in my system, so I didn't
Seriously?
understand.
Okay, but you should look at the solution if you still have a doubt, because these things I think already might have discussed, because this is the week 3 content. But yeah, let me check what I can do. Okay, chalo. Okay, so you have still a more doubt? Any conceptual doubts also?
No, sir.
I have a doubt.
Acha. I will call your name Dipakshi. Yeah. Acha. Okay. So Dipanshu, if your doubt is I have
Sir,
written
one
as
more doubt. Sir, I didn't understand what is nesting.
nested
Yes, sir.
loop. Yeah, sorry, nested loop or nested if else.
Nested if else.
Okay, nested if else. Okay, good. Okay, next. So if your doubt is I have wrote here, so then I have written it, then you can lower it. Okay. Wasim.
So same question, so graded assignment week 2, 6 and 8.
Week 2, 6. Oh, chalo, theek hai. Okay, then
Fine, ठीक है sir.
yeah. Dipakshi.
Yes, sir. I have doubt in week 3, activity 3, question number 7.
Activity 3 point. Which
Activity 3.
3.3.
Okay sir.
Perhaps. Question number 7.
Question number 7. Okay.
And activity 4, question number 9.
Activity 3.4, question number 9. Is it?
And activity 5, question number 2.
Activity 3.5, question number
2.
2. Okay.
Activity 8, question number 5 and 6.
Activity 3.8.
Yes, sir. Question number 5 and 6.
5 and 6. Okay, good.
Activity 9, question number 3.
3.9, question number
3.
3. Okay.
Or sir, also I have to understand the concept of interface and complementation, and yes, that's also the 3 price problem.
Okay. That's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next we have Alam Nabya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Week 3, activity in question number 5, sir.
Which one? Week 3 activity
1.
3.1.
Yes, sir.
Activity 3.1, question number 9.
Question number 5.
5. Okay.
And
Then
activity 2, question number 5.
activity 3.2, question number
5.
5. Okay.
And activity 3.8, question number 5.
Yeah, it's already there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Okay.
And also 1, sir. Question number 1.
Of which one?
Activity 3.8.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So next we have Suprita. Suprita.
So activity 2.7 question 3.
How come activity week 2 is coming? I don't understand. 2.7. 2.7 question number. Question number
3.
3. And
And so activity 3.6 question 1.
okay, sorry. Please ask it again. Which one? Activity
3.6 question 1.
3.6 question 1. Activity 3.6 question 1. Okay, good. That's all. Okay, so if you're doubt, I have written here, then you can lower your hand. Dipakshi and Suprita. Yeah. Pranavi. Yeah. Debu.
Sir, graded assignment week 2, 4,
Huh?
5, 10.
Sir, we haven't got the solution of the graded assignment 2 yet.
Oh, it's not there.
No, sir, it's not there.
Acha, it will be released. Okay, okay. Question number 4.
4, 5, 10.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So next we have Pranjali Prakash. Ved Pathak, Pranjali Prakash. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me. First.
So, week 2 graded practice assignment question number 7.
Sorry.
Week 2 practice assignment question number 7.
I'm not able to hear you. So practice assignment
Question number 7, sir.
7. Okay. Week 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Then Nidhi.
Yeah, graded assignment question number 4.
Of which week?
2. Week 2.
Question number
4.
4 is already mentioned, na?
Okay, and 3.1 activity question 5, it is mentioned.
There. Yeah.
3.3, question 3 and question 7.
Okay. That's all.
And 3.5 question number 3 and question 4.
That's all.
Yeah, then.
Okay. Navya.
Graded assignment week 3 question number 6 and 7, sir. Week 3 we can't discuss.
Let me see how much I can discuss. Graded assignment question number
6 and 7.
Okay. That's all.
So
Yes,
also
sir.
5 week 3 graded if we can discuss then.
So I'm not going to discuss the question. I'm just going to have how much I can. If you are having difficulty to understand the question, then I will be just give you the glimpse. Otherwise,
Question number 5, graded assignment week 3.
Question number 5.
5.
Okay. That's all, no?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Yeah. So what should I do? Means what should I start with week 2 or conceptual doubts first or week 3?
So week 2 doubts, sir, please.
Sir, week 2 doubts. Sir.
The week 2 doubts.
Okay. So just let me start with the activity questions and then practice and week 2 then graded assignment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So let us go the first activity question 2.6 question number 1. 2.6 question number 1.
Sir, parameter and procedure.
Acha, parameters and procedure.
Yes.
Why attendance is only 64? I mean, generally it used to be more than 100. Is it like that always?
There are maths and stats session
So
also.
there are many
so-
classes going on the same time.
Math session, okay, so that TA sessions.
So yes,
Yeah.
there are two math session going on the same time.
Math session, the instructor one or the TA one?
TA.
TA one.
Okay. So that will be there. Yeah. So week 2.6 question number 1. 2.6 question number 1. Let me see how is it. Yeah. So what it is saying that, see, so without modifying any step in the procedure given in the, it is possible to find the word that has the maximum frequency. So it's a, whose doubt is this one?
Sir, mine.
Yes. So did you watch the lecture? It's a simple. I mean,
Yes,
if
sir.
you
I
have,
watched the lecture. So I was thinking, sir, that the answer will be yes, but it is no. So I wanted to know why it is no.
so you see, the question is that you can find the maximum, what is the maximum frequency, but you cannot find the word, no? We are not storing the word, we are just counting the numbers, means the maximum, how many times that word has appeared. Understood? Can we find the word? We cannot find the word. We can find only the how many times that word has occurred in that paragraph.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood? So that's the answer is
That's why no.
understood, no? Others?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Yeah, others?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Sir, but in the lecture, the professors were maintaining the word count and the max one side by side. So, like in view of that, we can find without modifying.
No. So see, what sir is doing. So that was activity question number 2. What was the number? Yeah, 2.6 question number
2.6.
1. Thana. Yeah.
Yes.
So that sir was storing max, no? Max and what is that? Tell me that variable name.
Word.
Frequency, no?
Yes, sir.
Frequency. But sir was not storing what is that word. I mean, word he was not storing, no? Means, yeah, how many times it has come? Let us say that any word has, it was Monday morning, it has come twice. I mean, some words are there, na? I mean, just let me take the example. I will not go
Word
to the
count.
lecture part. So it
Sir,
has
is it
come,
word
let
count?
us say 5 times. It was has come 2 times or 3 times. Like that, so all words are there, na? So what frequency, like it is there, it has come 5 times, was has come how many times? 3 times.
Yes,
So
sir.
the max frequency will be what? Max frequency will be what?
3.
Max frequency is
No,
5,
5.
no?
5.
5.
But we don't know which word has come. Let us say there are another word which is the is also there, that has come
6
5 times
times.
or any time. I don't know how many times, but let us say word the is also 5 times, but we just know the maximum
Max
frequency. We don't know which word has come. We are not storing that
Yes.
word, no? So that's why we need to get this to without modifying the steps. We cannot get that word, but we know the frequency of that word, maximum frequency. If we want to know, we have to also store the word. So as soon as you update that x dot count, when something is there, means how many times it has come. Let us say something is count you are storing. If it is greater than AFRE frequency, then you are updating what is the max frequency, no? So let us say frequency with the x dot count. I'm writing for the how many times it has come. Understand?
sir.
So whenever, but so this will only give let me write max frequency, no? This is max, don't confuse. So max frequency, I'm just writing it short. Okay, so as soon as you will check new, means you will update the word. So when you have to initially initialize with something called max frequency with 0, Anna. So as soon
Yes.
as you will go, you will keep updating. At the end, whenever, like, first if you go x dot count. So first let us say 5 is greater than 0. So obviously it is true, and it will be max will be updated with max frequency will be updated with 5. Next word is what? 3. 3 is greater than 5. It's false. You will not update. Next is 5. 5 is greater than 5. You will not update. So meaning you have maximum frequency. The word which has maximum frequency is
Means we without making any changes, we cannot find the ID of the word.
ID or the word. Yeah. So we can only get the frequency, means max frequency. Understand? Let us say another word on is there that has come 6. So what will be the max frequency? It will be 6. But if you want to know the which word has come, what you have to do? You have to initialize variable, some variable, max word. Let us say that I have created another variable. What should I initialize with this one?
None, sir.
Data type.
String
Understand?
data.
String data type. So I have initialized with something word none, and then it will be, as soon as you update this one, you should have max word will be also x dot word. Hana? So as soon as you update this one, you will update the word also. So as you update, this will be also max word. You need to have this one. What is that word we have?
On.
Hana?
Yes, sir.
So you have to update that procedure, or what sir is trying to do to just find the max frequency. You have to update to get the word which has maximum frequency. What if another word which has, let us say, another is something called, which comes very frequently? What is that? Off. Let us say off has also come 6 times. What do you think that max word will store and max frequency will store? Others, guys, others are understanding. I mean, I'm just, hello.
Max frequency 6.
Yeah, so max frequency will be 6. What about max word?
Sir, it will remain on.
On, sir.
Huh?
On and off both can be.
Both can be the answer.
Sir, but we have to write that pseudocode, make changes in pseudocode for that.
No. So see, there are 2 words which has frequency 6, which is actually the maximum frequency, है ना?
Yes,
so
sir.
According to this code, max word, what it will give max word? What is the value of max word? What, I don't know.
The
Tell
word
me.
should be off only.
Max word will be what? On or off?
Sir, on.
sir.
It will
Huh?
remain on. It will remain on.
It will remain on. How many are saying it will remain on?
Will remain on, sir.
Okay. What about now?
So now it can be.
Now it can
Now
change
it
to
will
off.
change to off.
What about max frequency will change?
It will remain 6.
It will
That
be
will
6
remain
only.
6.
And max word will be?
Off.
Off.
Everybody is getting what I'm trying to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
Okay, so what is happening here now? So when you put the equal to sign also, it will allow also the last word to enter inside. Otherwise, like when it was only this one, so when you are checking x, till here is fine. I mean, till here you had word this one, this guy on. But what is happening for the next word? X dot count is 6. Max frequency from the previous word you have 6. So 6 is what we will cross check. 6 is greater than 6. Is true or false condition?
False.
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 Therefore, you will not go inside, and the value of your max frequency will be still 6, and the max word will be still on. But when you put here equal to sign, what it will do? It will 6. Then this condition will come. 6 is greater than equal to 6. Then it becomes, this condition will become true. Hey, you guys, so in week 2 itself, pseudocode was there. So okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
6 is greater than equal to 6. means this condition became true, and therefore it updated the max frequency, which is nothing but 6 only. But max word will be updated with off. So this tells that means whenever you use the equal to, greater than equal to sign, this will give the card which has moved recently. I mean, so the latest one. I mean, understand the last card, है? But when you have this one, this will have the first card with the max frequency that will only store. Everybody is getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So whereas this was the long explanation. Okay, where is
Sir,
the
and if
question?
we have to store
Huh?
both on and off, then what we have to do means what changes we have to make?
So if you want to get on and off, so I remember something I have explained in week 1, something called list. So
Yes.
you want to store more than one variable in a single variable data, I mean single value. That thing for creating that thing, you need to initialize this variable called list. Then you will store this guy, these two. So that will you will read in week 5 onwards. No, don't worry right now. Understand? So for storing these two, because say actually means if both words are having same frequency, you have to say that on and off both are having frequency 6, and that should be counted, and that should be
Yes.
presented to the people who ask for which are the words have highest frequency. The 2 words are there, but you cannot store more than one variable in this max word, because it will only store one variable. So what do you have to do? You have to initialize something called okay, so I'm not going there, otherwise it will be very, you have to create something called list with the empty list, and then you have to store that I will tell you in week 5 and for till week 4.
Store two words with maximum frequency then.
Yeah, so that is what I'm saying. No, so these things you will come to know from week 5 onwards how to do these things. That's why I'm not writing this one. Okay, so just I have given the possibility, means these things also possible. If you want to store these 2 words, that you have to study in week 5, okay, using list and list. Okay, chalo. For the timing, it's not required. Okay, you will not ask any questions based on list. Okay, so I'm going. That's done. No, whoever doubt in this particular question.
To all the practice assignment and graded assignment and all the activity question, is that enough for qualifiers?
Yeah.
Okay. So what will be the level of question, more than the graded assignment or equal to or less than that?
It will be a level of graded assignment, and we will ask only pseudo codes, nothing else. We will ask pseudo codes week 3 and
level of this assignment question is slightly higher than the graded assignment.
Okay, yeah, week 3 and week 4 practice and graded assignments all are good. That level of questions will be there, and we will have a one mock paper. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay. So next we have which question? 2. Sorry. So this is done. 2.7 question number 3. 2.7 question number 3. Who had doubt in this? 2.7 question number 3.
So my doubt.
Who's? Question number 3. Yeah. Whose doubt is this?
So mine.
Suprita. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So did you solve question number 1 and 2?
Yes, I got that.
Yeah, so this it becomes easy then. No? I mean, which will have what is the relation between small n and capital N?
So I couldn't understand why the option 3 is there.
Option 3 is incorrect. What is the correct option?
Option 3 is the right answer.
So okay, so for that, first let us start from the 1 and 2, and then you will understand what is the reason behind it. So others are able to do.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
I have also seen doubt.
Yeah, but I think okay. So you guys are not joining the TA sessions. That guys are good, very good. I mean, they explain very well. Okay, chalo. So let Max.
So we can't join the TA sessions. I don't know why.
Why? Okay, so maybe you are a
Time
qualifier student now.
allow it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I too can't join the TA sessions.
No, so they will allow you to join. I mean, so you cannot join because that is kept for open for domain with the ITM account. You just wait for some time. They will allow you to. I mean, they will add you to the.
So we wait for 3 to 4 minutes, but still there is no response.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I waited like for 10 or 15 minutes actually yesterday, and I joined early only, but still they didn't allow. And later they started showing it started showing that the meeting is not even being held or something. So
Yes,
you
sir.
can't join the meeting or something like that.
I had to wait 30 minutes.
Is no way that we can get the video of TA session in our supplementary content.
Okay. Acha, acha. Yeah, I just check what we can do from our end. Maybe someone, because see what happens, no, means while explaining, you won't notice that who is on queue to join the session. So
I have tried in the initial minutes, like if it is from 6 p.m., then I have tried in 6 p.m. and 6 to 1, 6, 7 till 6:10, 6 p.m. 10 minutes. But
Yes.
still there is no response.
acha. Okay. I will check that one. Yeah. Okay, I will check with the TAs. Okay, chalo.
So it
Okay,
will
so
be good if we get the video in our supplementary content.
okay, let me see what we can do. We can provide or not. I will have to record and we have to do. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let max marks be a variable that keeps the track of the maximum total marks in a scores data set. So we have a variable called max marks which stores the maximum total marks in that score data set. Let max card be a variable that tracks the index of that card, which has the maximum total marks. Okay. So here is a thing what you are trying to say in question number previous one. Okay, max ID and the card which has max marks and the maximum marks. We write a procedure similar to one of the given lecture, determine the maximum and the index of the card equals 20. Okay, so max marks is updated in times. Max marks is updated in times. How many times the variable max card will be updated? Oh, so this is easy, no? The in time. Whatever the times you will update max marks, you will update the, because this same code, no, and same time, no, you will update the ID. है ना? ठीक है? Next is let n cards in a pile. Assume that a pile is arranged in the ascending order of the total mass, so that the total marks in the given are always less than the total marks in a card immediately below it. So the top is the highest, no, given in the less marks than the
lowest.
Ulta. Yeah. So the total marks is given card is always less than the total marks in card immediately below it. Okay, so the top is the less and bottom is the highest, है ना? That's the case, no?
Every time updated.
Yeah. Sorry. Yes, so top card.
Every time it is updated.
So top card we have a smallest and bottom has a highest marks. Does everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so assume that no two cards have the same total marks. So also there is a situation that nobody has got the same marks. So everybody got the distinct mark. Distinct, do you understand? Distinct means everybody has unique marks. Okay. How many times will the variable max card be updated if we execute from the above program? So how many times? N times. This is also pretty straightforward. But now come here. Based on the above answer from the above question, what is the correct relationship between n and n? So see here, you are pretty sure, no? As soon as you will move the card from file 1 to file 2, it will be updated n times. Why? Because the top card has the minimum and the bottom has the max marks. है ना? So you will update total n times. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But what if in this situation you are not told, no, how many cards have similar marks, same marks, and also let us say can you see this? See, the first card has, let us say, 5 marks. Next card, I'm just telling, it's just example. First card has 5 marks, then 3. So do you think this time you will update? No, na? I mean, see,
No, sir.
X count is greater than max frequency. So just think in terms of marks. Chalo. So 5 is greater than 0. First time when you go, because this is the first time you are entering, है ना? So greater than 0, then therefore you are updated the value. Okay? Max frequency and max what? What if next card is 3? So 3 is greater than 5. It's true or false?
False.
So you are not going to update.
Yeah.
So do you think the number of cards here will be same as the number of updation of cards, number of dating of variables? No, na?
No, sir.
But what if, so this is the situation, but in this situation, it is clearly mentioned that it is in increasing order, meaning the first card have, let us say, so first card has, let us say 5, then next card has 7, then next card has 8, next card has 10, then next card has 15, like that. This is in increasing order. So every time your card will be, your variable will be updated, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes.
But in this case, it will be not updated. Therefore, this value n will be always greater than small n. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Supriti, sorry, what was your name?
Sir, not
Sir,
clear on
Suprita.
this. Sir, not clear on this. Could you please pardon?
You didn't understand?
No, sir.
Okay, so let us say there are two situations here. I just tell you. I mean, you have this is question activity question number 2.7. Question number, what was the question number? Sorry, 3. Hannah, acha, 3. Sorry, question number 3. So situation, the first situation is there. So you have random cards. Okay, for the first case, why I'm saying for the first case, because a small n and capital N are used from question number 1 and question number 2. So in question number, it was it was not mentioned at all how the cards are arranged. So your card will be arranged in any order, Hannah. There will be no order either in decreasing, no any order maintained. So let us say the cards of a student marks are like, let us say total marks. So it is till 300, no? So let us say first card has 151. Second card has below it, means 100. Third card has 300. Sorry, 300 is too much. 280. Then next card has 250. And next card has, let's say only 5. Okay? And how many? This is 234. So I have assumed just 5 cards. Okay? Okay. So for that, whatever the condition I had, if x dot, so I'm writing pseudocode. Okay? Total marks greater than max, then you are going to update what? Max with what? X dot total marks. Everybody is getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have initialized max with what? 0. Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this situation, see, how many times you will update the max? Tell me. How many times?
5, sir. 5.
Is it number of times max will be? Think and
Sir, 2 times.
2 times only.
so randomly, if you are saying it's not a good idea, just you have to look at and check. So see what is happening. First time, if you go, max is 0. So total marks is how much? Tell me. 1. Who had doubt? Who had doubt in this?
Sir, I.
Farha. So see,
Yes, sir.
so first card have how much? 151 is
Yes,
greater than, what is that? 0. So are you going to update max?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So max will be 151.
151. Yes.
So you have updated one time. Okay. Now next card. Next card is what? 100. 100 is greater than how much? Farha?
150. Is less than 150.
So it's true or false?
False, sir.
Are you going to update the value of
sir.
max?
No, sir.
Okay. Next is 280.
Yes, sir. Here we will update.
You are going to update.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will be 280, and you have updated, है ना?
Two
So now
times.
you have updated twice. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now is 250. 250 is greater than. Now this became 280, na? 280.
No, sir, false. This
Sure,
is
false.
false.
Now next is what?
234. That is also false.
So you have updated how many times?
Twice, sir, twice.
Okay, so this was the situation when you have a small n, है ना?
Right, sir. For what is the difference between small n and capital N?
Because a small n is used in this question, and in this question capital N is used. Two different variables, you can say.
Okay, two different variables. Okay.
Now in this, it is clearly mentioned that assume that pile is arranged in ascending order of the total mark, so that the total marks in given card is always less than the total marks in the cards immediately below it. So so this clearly mentioned you have 5 cards. Let us say you have 5 cards, and the situation is in such a way that you have all are in increasing order. So the first marks, let us say 159 is there. The next card, it should be more than that. Okay, so 200 is there. Then next card 210 is there. Then 255 is there. Then 290 is there. So how many times do you think this will update?
5 times.
Everybody agree on this?
Yeah.
5 times.
Hannah. So therefore this will be max here. It will come 290, and it will be updated how many times? Total 5 times. Hannah. Capital N will be 5 times, and here small n will be 2 times, which is n. Hannah. So understood what is the difference here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, good. Okay, so next we have AC. I just give a little bit more time for some questions. For others, maybe it is irritating, I think. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so next we have a question number practice assignments 3, 7, and 8. So practice assignment solution is not there.
It's there, sir.
So
It's there.
So
No,
who is
sir.
having?
Yes, sir. For week 2, it's there.
So 3, 7, 8, 9. Who is having doubt?
Not there. For week 2.
Who is having doubt in practice assignment question number 3, 7, 8, and 9?
Sir, I have
Hello. Who is having doubt? Please let me know.
I was having doubt.
Who you are having doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you go through the solution part?
Yes, sir. I read it, but it was getting a bit confusing.
So it will be good that if you what you do, like what I have done here, I have simply taken the simple data. Hannah, simple data I have taken and try to just go through that. So you should be also doing the same thing. I mean, just I tell you what to do here. If how many have doubts? I think this question is earlier also it is discussed. No? Yes.
Yes, sir. It was discussed in the previous session of the ma'am.
Also, why did you not watch that lecture? I mean, because again, I can't. This is for week 3 actually. That's why I mean. So, but
Okay,
still,
sir.
I did. Please watch that lecture. If you're still having doubt, let me know. Okay? Because this is for the week 3. I mean, so I should be starting now week 3 in some time.
So excuse me, sir.
So
I have a doubt in an activity question in week 3. Is it okay if I can ask it now?
Yeah, I can write your doubts here. Which tell me your doubt is here.
Sir, in activity question 3.8, the 5th question.
Yeah, it is written there. So I will clear that.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
3.6 question number 2, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Sir, 3.8 question number 1, 5, and 6.
3 point.
8, sir.
Question number?
1, 5, and 6, sir.
It's written there, na?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so see what is happening. Yeah, so
Question
sorry?
1 and 4, sir.
Question number
1 and 4.
3.2.8.
2.8. Class.
So this I mean this week 2 question I'm not going to take right now because this
Okay,
is for the week 3. So 2.8,
1 and 4, sir.
1 and
4.
4. The
Yes,
thing
sir.
is that no, so this is see those who have, I think you have missed the previous sessions. Am I right?
Yes.
Week 2 sessions. So please watch that lecture. I mean sessions, because those who have already attended it, for others it's just I cannot kill their time because they have come for the week 3. So please go
Okay,
and watch practice assignment also. I mean those who have missed, please watch that lecture. If you still have doubt, let me know. I will definitely clear. But if you tell me the go, so because solution is there and also TS session are there. Because I have to start week 3
So
things.
we're not having access to TA sessions.
Acha, that I will. And so today from 8 sessions are there, no? So today from 8 sessions are there, TA session, no? So week 2,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
those who are having doubts, week 2, please go to the TA session because these questions are already answered or already discussed in the previous lecture by I think Nalini. So please go and watch that one. If you're still having doubt, let me know because for others I cannot kill their time because they have
Okay,
come
sir.
for week 3.
Sir,
Okay?
the graded
Okay, sir.
assignment, can you answer?
Yeah, graded assignment I will answer because
Yes,
ठीक है?
because there is no solution for graded assignment week 2.
Yeah. So I just tell them to upload. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah, it will be released now. Just give me a second. So week 2, I'm just holding practice session because solution is there. If you're still having doubt, no, please let me know. If your doubt is not clear, and activity as well. So I just take some graded assignment question for week 2 and then I go for the week 3. Sounds good, no? For others because those they have already attended that session. Okay. So week 2 graded assignment. Question number 4, na? This one, question number 4. Who has doubt in question number 4?
So yeah, my dad was question number 5.
Acha. So who had doubt in question number 4 in graded assignment week 2?
It's Nidhi.
Nidhi, acha. Yeah, so thing is that it's easy, no? I mean, so what is doubt in this? I mean, lowest marks and second lowest marks. Yeah, I mean, see, what's your doubt? Can you tell me what's your doubt? Then I just clear your doubt. What are you struggling?
Step 5 and step 6. Can you explain it?
Okay. Yeah. So see, if you see, just again, I'm saying if you have any difficulty to understand code or these procedures, just take a dummy data. Dummy data means just this is talking about mathematics marks. Okay. So this is week 2 graded assignment question number 4 na? Yeah. So just I'm taking math marks. Okay. Tell me the 5 mathematics marks. Tell me just first.
Like 93.
93. Then
85.
85.
72.
72.
45.
45. Let us say 95. ठीक है? Chalo. So these are the two. These are the five students' marks. Let us see what happens in the code. Can I download the I think PDF version? Then it will be fine. Yeah. So I can download. Did I download it? Downloads. No, it hasn't come. Where did it go? Okay, leave it. I mean, there is some issue with this one. Okay, so yeah, our question was question number 4. Yeah. So what I do here, I mean, so my screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Both sides, no, my side screen is also okay. So what is happening here? No, so maintain 2 variables. So just I have to do maintain variables. What are the 2 variables? A is equal to 10,000. So so do you remember? I mean, I am initializing A with integer data type. So which type of data type is A and B? Integer data type. And I'm also initialized with something very high value. So what do you think these A and B are
Searching
going
for
to
low,
do?
sir.
Lowest value, some lowest
Searching for
value.
low.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So let us see what is happening if file 1 is empty. So this is the termination condition for
Sir,
your
why we are initializing A is equal to 10,000, sir? It can be either 5,000 or 3,000 or sir.
yeah. So see, so we want to be in safer side. Okay, miss. I mean, no any examination happened which has 10,000 marks for mathematics. This can be the minimum. Like, see, if we yes initialize with 1 not 1, this is also fine. Just maximum, but we know since this is the max marks is 100. So we want to go with such a higher values. But what if we want to generalize, like some colleges, some university conducts examination for 200 also, 150 also. But if we initialize with 1 not 1, for here it will work, for there it will not work. Understand? So to be in the safer side, we want to initialize with something maximum value, highest value, for getting the lowest value in this given data set. Understood? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so let us see what is happening in step 5. Mathematics marks is less than A. So just see what it is happening. Mathematics marks is what? Here 93. So 93 is what? Less than, sorry.
10,000.
Yeah. So less than 10,000, true or false condition?
True.
True. True, hai na? So what we will do? Then store A in B. So what is the value of A?
10,000.
This one is saying, no, when it is true, then what you have to do like this. If it is true, then store A in B and mathematics marks in A. Hai na? So this is actually nothing but 93 and this same as, because both have same marks, so this will be like this, no? Same, no? 10,000. Agree? Everybody agree? Now go to the step 6. If mathematics marks is greater than A, what is the value of mathematics marks you have currently? 93?
Yes.
And so this is a step 5, hai na? Yeah. So this is a step 5, and now in a step 6, what is happening here? Mathematics marks is how much? 93 is greater than A. What is the value of A you have now? 93. Na? In previous step, we have updated the value 93. Of so 93. Do you think false. This is true or false? False. And this was also connected with AND operator. So AND operator means what? Means both conditions are true. Let me write at least, then you will understand. And mathematics marks. What is the mathematics marks we are having? 93.
93 is 10,000. It's true.
So what is happening here? One is false and another one is true. Overall it is what?
False.
Overall it is what?
False.
You know the truth table, no? Means
Yeah.
Truth table, I think. Yeah. So this is the truth table. In wherever this AND operator is there or AND condition is there, if both are true, then true. Otherwise, false. In case of OR operator, if one of the condition is true, it is true. Otherwise, both are false, then it is false.
Then false.
Agree? Chalo. So we will not do anything in a step 6. Now what we do? We move the card to another pile. So this guy was in pile 1. This was in pile 1. Now this one has to move to pile 2. So this card we have moved to pile 2. Now again do the same procedure, and what do you have to do? Again empty, no, it is not. Read the top. Okay, so 85 is now. So now 85 is less than A. So now check. This is 85 is less than, what is the value of A you have now? A, what is the 93, no. So 93 is true or false?
True.
True. What you will do? Then store A in B. A in B. A will be in the now 93 and
A is 85.
mathematics mass in A
85.
85. Agree?
Yes.
Everybody is clear on this? What is happening here?
Yes, sir.
Please speak. Because if you understand one question, then no need to no need to solve other question for me here, because almost all questions are having almost same type of concept, but we ask in a different way. So if you understand at least one concept, you can use the same concept to solve the other question. So that's why I put a little bit more time to make you understand very clearly in at least one question. Okay. No, okay. So let us go to the step 6. Again, math marks is greater than A. Math marks is how much? Now tell me.
85.
85. And this guy is?
85.
A is what? 85. Again. So 85 is 85 is true or false?
False.
So we need not to look at, but still we have to write here. So mathematics mass is 85 and less than
93.
93. But same thing. This is false. This is true. Overall false.
False.
So we'll not do anything. Go to the so go to the so move the card to another pile. So this card is moved. Now this guy is moved to Control X, and this is moved to 80. Now 72. So 72 it will come here. So this is 72. So for 72, do you think 72 is less than 93? It's true or false?
85. It's true, but it will be 85. No?
Where? This is A. Yeah. Sorry, 85. So it's true or false?
True.
True. What we will do?
B in A in B.
72 in A.
So this will be, B will be now 85.
85.
And A will be current marks. So 72. Agree, everyone?
Yeah.
Now same thing. Mathematics mass is greater than. So what is the mathematics mass you have? 72.
72.
72 is greater than 72.
False.
False. And this will be actually mathematics mass is 72 is less than B. What is the value of B you have? 85. Na? So this is false. This is true. Then this is overall false. Nothing to do. Now, so this is moved to
Pile 2.
And now it comes next is what? 45. So 45 again same thing. 45 is less than A. We try to do this.
Directly you can put in pile 2.
So A will be B will be what?
72.
72 and this will be
45.
45 है ना? ठीक है. Again this condition will be not true. है ना? So this condition will be only true when when intermediate any number comes. The second highest. So this will be going to a store. We will be going to a store. The second lowest, no? Second lowest. So in this data, second lowest is 72 itself, Anna. I mean, if it is here, let us say this is 50. I'm just saying. Okay. Now it will. I think for that condition it will work. Let us see. Yeah. So this now let us do for this 45 and make changes. So B is 72 and A will be 45. It's true, no? This condition this will be false. Now come here. This will be moved to Control X and this will be moved to here Control V. Now next card is 50. So 50 is now C. So for 50 is less than, what is the value of A? A is what?
45.
45. It's true or false?
False.
False. Are we going to do anything? No, na? We will not
No.
will not update anything. So A will be still 45 and we will be 72 here. But when we will come to a step 6 now, what is that? Mathematics mass is how much? 50. 50 is greater than
45. It's true.
45. It's true or false?
True.
This one and this one. Mathematics mass. What is the mathematics mass you have? 50.
50.
Is what is the value of B you have?
72.
This
72.
is true or false?
True.
So this is true
True.
and this is true. Overall?
True.
What you are going to do? Store mathematics mass in B. So B will be what? Mathematics mass, which is what? 50. So understood what is happening here. So A is going to store what is the second lowest marks. Lowest marks is 45 and B is going to store second lowest marks. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So try to do like this. If you have any confusion in any code, just take a random data and try to execute. Maybe in first time. So thing is that, see, when I took here 95 now, I was not able to execute a step 6 anytime. So you have to think cleverly. I mean, if you do one time, may or may not you will go to the correct data so that you will be able to execute each and every line of the code. So you should be taking or you should be choosing data in such a way that it should execute each and every step of the procedure or the each and every line of the pseudo code. Otherwise, you will not reach to the correct result. Understood what I'm trying to say here? So that's why I have modified the thing. Okay. So next question. I mean, everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next question I had question number 5 and 5, 6, 8, 10. Now I think it is available. Just check question solution is there. What is doubt in question number 5?
No, sir. It was not 5. It was something like 7 or 8.
But I wrote there. So who had doubt in question number 6 then? 5. Sorry, 5. Anybody is having doubt in question number 5?
Sir, I have a doubt.
In question number 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your doubt?
Concept in the beginning.
Concept in the beginning. Okay.
Related to
the in a step 1, 2, and 3, 4 in this, no? Or what is so let us see
Step 4.
a step 4. If physics marks is less than equal to A, then store physics marks in A and store student marks in B. What is there? I mean, it's very straightforward, no? I mean, you are storing A, physics marks in A and student's name in B. That's why you have initialized B with none. I mean, can you see this? What is happening here? I mean, question number 5. Question 5 make so we have initialized A with what? 1, 0, 1. And what is that B you have initialized with? So this tells that A you have initialized something high value, means this is going to store some integer data and which is going to store some minimum value or the lowest value, and B is going to store some not integer. What it is going to store? Some string data. That's why you have initialized with none, written in and double inverted comma. Understood? So what's your name? Who has doubt in this?
Sir, Pranavi.
Pranavi. No?
Sir, can you explain the step one? I mean,
Yeah. A step one. A step, which step?
so step one, I didn't understand the question.
Yeah. So see, maintain two variables A and B. So I have maintained two variables A and B. What are they saying? Initialize them to 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1 and none. None. I have initialized. What is doubt in this? It's clear, no? I mean, whatever it is saying is step one, I have done this.
Sir, what is mean by none, sir?
None is just integer. Means you have to initialize. See, you have initialized with 1, 0, 1, some number only, no? So that this variable is going to store only integer type of data. I have initialized with something called none, or maybe you can write something. This you have initialized with what? Something integer, which is
Yes,
written
sir.
in double inverted comma. So none means just simple. I mean, just a variable. You can initialize with something called ABCD something. That's all. You have initialized with some so that it tells that this variable is only going to store which type of data? A string type of data.
Okay, sir, I got it, sir.
It's clear now?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, good. Pranavi, no? Pranavi,
Yes, sir.
it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have a doubt in another step also?
So step 4. So now we have to take random values and then check it out.
Yeah, I mean, so you can simply understand, like, if physics marks is less than equal to A, then you have to store physics marks in A and store the value. So this condition, if I'm writing in the terms of pseudo code, let me write in terms of A. So step 5, sorry, step 4, man. Yeah. So in step 4, it is happening like if you have physics marks. So why I have told you to do in that way, so that you will understand that what it is happening. A and sorry, then you are storing what? If this condition is true, then you have to store A
Physics marks in it.
physics marks, as well as two things. One more thing, what is that? Store a student's name in B and say x dot name. That is what you have to do. Hannah,
Yes, sir.
like that you have to do. That's all?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Question
It can be
number.
option A, no, sir. Option A also is possible, no, sir. For question number 5. It can be A, no, sir.
Option number A is why? I mean, so
Sir,
whoever.
Because there was a sir equal to. That's why. Am I right, sir?
I mean, you have to check the sequence. I mean, I have to just, I think you need to iterate the card. I mean, no, it is already the given procedure executed. Kajal and Rashmita both have scored the lowest one. Okay, let all the cards are arranged in single pile. Okay, in such a way that Kajal's card is below Rashmita card. So Rashmita card is on top. Kajal card is below one. Hana? That's the case. That's the case, no? So what will be the value of A and B? So since it is equal to sign, that's why Kajal name is there. That's just recently I have explained. No question that what was the question I was explaining? This one equal to 1. I mean, where is that? Frequency 1. I mean, see what will happen? Equal to sign is there when it comes here. So till Rashmita, it will A will be 37 and B will be Rashmita. But as soon as Kajal cards comes, since it is 37 is less than equal to 37, this condition is true, no? 37 is less than 37. Then A will be physics mark, A is 30. Hannah, A is 30. Also,
Kajal.
So A is 37.
Only
and
the name will update it.
And because see, it is updating with the same value. That is the case. Means it is updating with the same value. That's all.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
And B will be name Kajal. Hana? Because of equal to sign. If it is not equal to, then what will be the answer?
Sir, A itself, sir.
Option A, sir.
Yeah. Understood, Pranavi?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, good.
Sir, it's the case of similar to that off and on case.
Yeah, that is what I was trying to say here. It is the same case. Okay, so next question. What was the question we have?
The sixth, I guess.
Okay, question number 6. Who had doubt in question number 6?
Sir, I have, sir. Sir, I understood the logic, sir.
Do have.
Okay, okay, everybody is having doubt. So let me explain. Don't worry.
Sir.
Wait. Let me explain, na. Okay?
No, sir. I have a little doubt in previous one.
Question number 5.
Here A and B will both be the option. Both the options will be the right answer, no, sir?
Why? Where were you? I was explaining whole story and you were saying same thing.
Sir, I was here only.
What's your name?
Sir, my name is Aditya.
Aditya. Okay. So Aditya, what was I saying here? This was equal to sign is there. Okay. So when as soon as the what was the situation here? It is given. Arrange card in single pile and such that Kajal's card is below Rashmita card. So Rashmita card is in top and then after Kajal's card is there. So which card will be read first? Rashmita card?
Oh, sir, got it. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Understood, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Where I was. Yeah, so question number 6, I think so many people have doubts. So let us see what it is happening here. I mean, count. So this is based on sports data. Okay, so read the. Okay, so if C is true, then you are going to count. You are going to update the variable count. Understand? For which are the cases C is becoming false? So if mathematics mass is less than 56, then C will be false. Physics false. Chemistry also. Meaning if any student whose mathematics marks, or means any one of the subject marks is less than 56, then C will be count will be not updated. Agree? Listen what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir.
If any one of the student marks is more than 56, then you are going to update count. Ulta again. I mean, okay.
Yes, sir.
Greater equal to greater than or equal to also fine. Yeah. So if listen, when count will be not updated?
When it is less than 50.
When it is less than 50.
Less than 56. If any student
scored less than 56
marks in any subject more than or equal to 56, for that case you are not going to enter in any one of the if block. True? If
Yes, sir.
mathematics mass is, let us say 56, do you think it will be going to update? 56 is less than 56. True or false?
False.
False. This is the limit. So let us say 60. So 60 is less than 56. You are not going to do. So meaning if any student marks is more than or equal to 56 in any subject, then C's count is going to be incremented.
Sir, it should be greater than or equal to 57. No, sir. 56 will not be included.
No, 50. So 56 less than 56. For that condition, this condition is false or true? 56 is less than?
Sir, 56 is equal to 56. No, sir.
No, 56
so it should
is,
be false. So it will not increment count.
No, 56 is less than 50. Okay, so let us say, I mean, one student got 55. 55 is less than 56. This is true or false? True or false?
This is false. True.
That's true, no?
True.
So for that case, it will go inside?
Yeah.
And you are not going to update the count?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What about 56? This is true or false?
False.
So do you think it will go inside?
No, it will be
No.
false only.
Meaning you are going to update?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
then in options, it's telling who got more than 55. It should be more than 56. The options is wrong then.
Okay, what is the answer? Number of students scored more than, see, more than 55 means 56 only, no? More than
Sir,
55.
not 50. Sir, 56 should not be included. That's what.
Yeah,
Hey,
exactly.
56, why it will not in? See, just now you
It
have
is
checked.
less than
Sir, it
56,
is
not less
false.
than or equal to 56.
Listen, what it is happening here. 50, 55 is there. For that case, this one, for this case, you are going to increment count? No, because you have made it C false.
Yes,
Agree.
sir. So we are not incrementing count.
Now, next comes, what is that? 56. 56 is less than 56. True or false condition?
False.
False.
So do you think you are going to update the value of C?
No, sir.
Yeah.
When this condition is false, then how we will update the value of C? You will not
So,
update.
yeah,
no?
you will not update. So C will not be
Meaning
false.
for
No.
that case, C is still true.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Or you are going to increment the count. So those who got more than 55 in all subjects, you are going to only count, no?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Right. Got
Oh
it.
my God.
Sir, I got it now.
Everybody got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No,
One more
sir.
time I repeat.
Sir,
One more
sir,
time. One more time I repeat. Chalo. So count will be incremented when C is true.
Sir.
Everybody agree
Yes,
on
sir.
this? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So when so C will be true when if none of these three blocks will be executed. I mean,
False.
this will be false, this will
False.
be false, this will be false. So let us say for the one subject. So let us say mathematics marks. So mathematics marks 55, got it. So 55 is less than 56. Is true or false?
True.
True. You will go inside. You will
No.
make it C is equal. Obviously, no. You will go inside now. 55 is less than 56. This
Yeah,
is true
yeah.
condition. You will go inside. I will make it C is equal to C. Sorry, Control Z. C is equal to. What you will do? C will make it false, na? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go inside. You will make it C is equal to false. What you will do? See, false is equal to this. You are not going to. This will be
Implement.
means this will be false, no? So you will not increment count. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
What if 56? So you are not going to count for 55. Let us say the 56 one. So 56 is less than 56. True or false?
False.
False.
You are not going to make it update. I mean, you are not going to update the value of C. Means C is just still. What is that?
True.
True. Means you are going to increment count.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
those who got more than 55 means starting from 56, you are going to count. That's all.
Yes, yes. Got
Sir,
it.
why not option A, sir? Option A also
Number
is
of
correct,
students
no,
who
sir.
score more
No.
than 50. No, 50, more than whatever, more than 55. Sorry, more than 56. But you are counting 56 also, na? See, for 56 you are also counting.
Right, sir.
No, sir.
It means we are counting more than 56. So if we got 56 also,
Sir, if it is
will
less
be
than
true,
or
sir.
equal to, then it will be option 1.
Who had doubt in option number 1? Just only
Sir,
he
me,
had
sir.
doubt.
Anand, sir.
Anand, so 56 के लिए, so 56 is less than 56. True or false condition?
False, sir.
So false meaning you are not going to update the value of C.
Yes, sir. So
Value of
remains
C
true,
is
sir.
still value of C is still true.
True, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
you are going to increment the count. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So you are counting the 56 one also, no? But what is the option? More than 56. So you have you are just missing the guy who got 56. Anand?
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now got it, sir.
Others?
Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got
Got
it,
it, sir.
sir.
Understood. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hello,
So
sir.
next, हाँ
Yeah.
बोलो.
Can you explain this again, sir?
Okay. हाँ.
If C is false, then only we will increment, na, sir.
When C is
If all three are false, then if then all three are false, then C will be
No,
remain
if
true.
one of the
So,
false, if one of the false,
hmm,
we are not going to increment,
then
na?
right, sir.
See, listen one more time. So what is happening here? When count will be incremented, what? When this condition is coming true, when
Yes.
and then this condition will be true when C is true. Guys, those who have not
Count is
understood, when C is true,
count
then you
will
are
be
going to increment count. Agree, everyone? Now
Yes, sir.
coming here, so when C is initialized with true, now where is becoming C false? For these are the conditions. So let us say I have just consumed for the one of the subject mass. Let us say 55. So for 55 is less than 56. That is what. So this condition is becoming true. Then you have updated the
Yes,
value
sir.
of C with false. So if one of the false, you are definitely you are not going to increment the count. Means you are excluding the guy who got 55 in at least one subject. Okay?
Right.
Now coming
Right.
to next marks, which is 56. So now 56 is less than 56. This is true or false condition? Obviously false.
False.
False means you are not going inside of the if block. It will come directly here. I mean, none of the physics marks, means all subjects I'm talking about. So we will check here. C is still true. Then you are going to increment the count, meaning the guy who got 56 or
Okay,
more
sir.
than 56. Means that is another case of saying that. See, I mean, let us say, I mean, I'm saying that marks, sorry, I'm saying in this way, marks is greater than equal to 55, sorry, no, 56
56, sir.
or marks is great. If I'm just only considering, do you think both her statements are true? I mean, both her statements are same. I'm saying that. Let me bring this.
Same, sir. Same, sir.
Sorry. Yeah. So, do you think which these two statements, a statement 1 and a statement 2, are they same?
No, sir.
The same, sir. We start from 56 on.
Statement.
Statement high. Yeah, this.
Control Z. So do you think that a statement 1 and statement 2 are same or different? If we
Same, because counting
So
starts
same,
from
sir,
56
same.
on.
if I'm considering
Yeah.
only in teaser data, not the float value. Okay? So that is what written in the options. Means number of students who scored more than 55 marks in all subjects. Okay? Or someone has wrote in different way. The student who got more than or equal to 56 marks in all subjects. This is only covering one. Means this option is missing. This equal to means those guy who got 56. Option A is missing here. है ना?
Sir.
Chalo. I
sir.
think I have spent enough time on this. I should move to next question.
Question number 8.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Question number 8.
Yeah.
The question number 8.
Let me see what is the.
Sir, if you can provide with more questions more like this, sir.
Yeah,
to juggle.
well, okay. So I give you one question. Now, I mean,
I mean, sir, if you give every one or two type of questions which will come to qualify exam, sir. Same type.
yeah. How is
different
this question?
questions.
How is question number 6?
Interesting, sir.
It's
Okay. I will provide you some questions. Don't worry. Okay. Just
okay, sir.
Sample papers before qualifiers, no?
sorry.
So we will get sample papers before
Yeah,
qualifiers.
mock paper you will get. Also, I will take one revision session. So that will start from night. I mean, from 10 o'clock. From 10 o'clock. That is special session will be there.
So from when? After completion of the 4 weeks?
No. Yeah, I mean, that after completion of 4 weeks, I will have one doubt clearing session. That is like starting from 10 o'clock. So those who are early sleepers, I don't think so that will be beneficial. But you have
So from 10 p.m.
From 10 p.m. to
10 p.m.
1.
sir.
Sorry.
Night out, sir.
Yeah. From 10 to 1 or it will go like this.
So today?
No, not today. I mean, after completion, with revision session, I'm talking about some revision sessions. I will take a special sessions.
And so where will get the sample papers or mock papers in the supplementary content section?
Yeah. It will be released soon.
Okay, sir.
Okay, question number 8. Who is having doubt in
Sir,
question
you
number
will,
8?
sir.
just
Asim.
one. You will
Okay,
provide
this is-
last these questions, sir. Last few years questions also in that supplementary.
I don't have last year questions.
It's there on the
Oh.
YouTube, or you can check it on the internet. It's available.
Okay. Thank
Yeah, okay. So next we have question number 8. Question number 8 is also interesting.
Yes, sir.
What it is saying actually here, I mean, it is counting how many, it is saying that, at least find the number of individual list. So this is, I mean, last time, the one question I was discussing, no, where like there were two sentences or there were two words which has same highest frequency, no?
Yes, sir.
That is what it is
Yes, sir.
about now.
Yes, sir. This question
Okay.
is also about the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah, so this type of question arises why? Because see, in a class there can be more than one toppers, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why
Yes,
this
sir.
is the thing. Yeah. So there can be more than one topper, so there can be more than one who got lowest marks. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So this is based on the words data set. Okay. At the end of execution, count finds the number of sentences with least number of words. So it is saying that count find the number of sentences with the least number of words. So there can be one sentence which has let us say 5 words. Let us say, I mean, just giving you example. I mean, example is the best way to explain any question, and you should be doing the same way, because this will just give you the picture, means how your question, means how we are trying to make you think using that question. Okay, so let us say the first sentence, I mean, having let us say how many words you want, in that. So it was Monday morning. So there were 4, no?
Yeah.
Swaminathan was reluctant to open his
Eyes.
How many are there? Swaminathan was reluctant to open his
7.
eyes. 7, na? So like
7.
that you think, and sorry. Third mein. Let us say you have a 3 and fourth having
Also 3.
fourth having not 3, I mean, let us say chalo, 4 and fifth is having 3. Chalo, theek hai?
Okay, sir.
This is also good question actually. Yeah, so 3. So what do you think that answer should come? Count should come how?
So according to me, it should be option number 2.
2.
Yeah, sir.
So even for me it was, I guess.
2, sir.
Okay, see what is happening here. Let us see what is happening. Chalo. A statement 1 should be 1, and so this is the correct. No, a statement 1 should be and a statement 2 should be So option this one is correct. So which is option number 3 is correct. Option number 3 is correct.
Yes, sir.
We are not getting
How I tell you. Chalo. So what is happening here? You have initialized something with count. Chalo. So those who are, I mean, everybody is with me.
Yes,
anybody
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
is
sir.
getting bored?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
You are getting bored. What type of data type is going to store this guy? Tell me.
Integer.
Integer.
And we have initialized something with very high value. What do you think that? What is the meaning of this one?
That's it for the lowest.
Lowest number of
Lowest
words.
value. ठीक है? चलो.
Minimum.
So while pile 1 has more cards, read the top card X from pile 1. And okay, so it was Monday morning. This guy had, what is that? It was
Monday morning.
ठीक है? It has, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So read the top card X from pile 1. So first it was you have incremented A is now 1. A became what? 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
that words end with a full stop, no. What is not ending with a full stop?
No, sir.
Where it will go? We should come here now. Just put a straight line, which is the first closing bracket in this line.
Move x to pile 2.
This one, no. So you
No.
are not going to do anything with this thing because this was false. What you have done, move x to pile 2. So this card is now moved to pile 2. Okay. Now is x is what was. Now it will come and make it a is equal to a plus 1 will be 2 now. Sorry, 2. Agree, everyone?
Yes, I did not understand. Can you re-explain?
Yeah. So what it is happening here? I mean, so read the top card. So you have read the first card. Okay.
Okay, ठीक है. Yes, sir.
It and you have incremented a is equal to a plus 1. So a is
Yes.
what? 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are checking h dot word. That word it ends with a full stop. Is it ending with a full stop?
No.
So this condition is false. So where is the closing bracket of this guy? Means if so, what I have told you guys. I mean, I think Nalli might have told you in last solve with instructor session how we should understood that which loop is opening and which block is opening and closing. So you
Yes,
just
know
you have
that.
to just put a
Yes.
straight line. Just put a straight line. Just a straight line. Whichever the first closing bracket in this line, no, will be your closing bracket of this particular block. So this is if block. Let us say for this while loop. So where is the first closing bracket in this line?
At the last.
So this whole thing will be executed whenever this guy is
Oh.
becoming true. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now see the a is equal to b. Means where is the closing bracket? First closing bracket. So in this line there are two, this one and this one. But what I told you, the first closing bracket. So this one. So wherever sorry. So wherever this condition is equal to, this condition is coming to, you have to execute only this part. If it is not, then you have to move here, next block. Hana? Because this is the closing. You are not supposed to enter in this unless this is true. Okay? So chalo.
Yes.
So this word is not ending with the full stop. This is a closing bracket of this one. So I am not going to do anything with this thing. Where I have to do? What I have to do? Move x to block pile 2. So what I have done? I have moved that it to next block, next pile, which is called pile 2. Now next is what? Was. Now I read and again I have to make a is equal to a plus 1. So a plus 1 is what? Now 2. Again, is it ending with the full stop?
No.
No.
And we will move this card again.
Pile
Now
two.
Pile
next
2.
word is what? Monday. Now again 3. It is not ending with the full stop. I have moved. Now next is come morning. So morning as soon as come, it made A made it 4. And now X word in with a full stop is true or false?
Yes.
True, sir. True.
Will go inside? Yes.
Yes.
Now it will check. A is equal to B. What is the value of A? You have
4. It's not equal to 1,000. I mean 1 lakh.
Yes.
False,
What
false.
is happening here in if block? We are checking. What do you mean by this equal to? I mean, sorry, the double equal to sign.
Comparison.
Both are equality, sir.
Are they equal?
Equality. Correct.
Not comparison
What is the
operator.
value of A? You have 4.
4.
4 is equal to
1 lakh.
1 lakh. No, it is not.
10,000. False, sir.
false.
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 Will not go inside and will come here. A is less than B.
Yes, sir, it is.
A
Yes, sir.
is what?
It's true.
Then it's true.
It's true condition. What you will
Yes,
do?
sir.
What
B
do you have
equal
done?
to A.
Assign the value of
E-
the
Assign the
became
value
now
B equal to A, sir. 4.
So
C
we
is
will
equal to A is
B equal
4.
to A.
And the statement
And
2,
we-
what do you think a statement 2 should be there? So whenever you see the first word, I mean the first sentence on first time entry, means this condition is coming true, that
We
will
should
be
increase the count.
not increase the count. That will be the first one. I mean, first one I tell you why. Means you will understand. Let me write why I'm saying that. Let's see. So you have seen the max value first time anyone. So that will be the first number. No, I mean if next
That's
same quantity comes twice, means max quantity comes twice, then you will increment I tell you what just let me write and then you will understand why it is necessary in this. So here
Yeah, sure,
its
sure.
count will be 1. I tell you why, you will understand that why it will be.
Okay, sir.
Next is what A you have again you have made it 0 and then move X to table. Now we have come move X to table 2.
So maybe because we are counting the number of sentence and not the word. That's why we are not incrementing here.
Yes, we are not counting number of words using count. We are counting number of words through A. I tell you, just give me a second. Next comes, we have initialized A is equal to again 0. So what is the meaning of reinitialization of A is equal to 0?
When we are starting over again.
So did you understand what A was counting? Number of words in particular
Words in a
sentence?
particular sentence.
Yeah.
Sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so for counting the number of words in next sentence, you should start again with A with 0, no? So therefore, that's why it is reinitialized with 0, because otherwise it will be carried to the first number of words of the first sentence to the next if we do not reinitialize with 0. Okay. So next we have Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes.
So,
Okay?
so can explain why A is equal to 0, sir? Reinitialization, sir.
See, A is counting what number of words? Agree?
Yes, a number of words, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what was the question we had? We are counting the number of sentences which has less number of words. This number of words.
Yes, sir, this number of words. Yes, sir.
So A is counting the number of words. If you do not reinitialize with, see, X dot word is ended with a full stop, means that is the end of a sentence.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next sentence, if it comes, if you keep the same number, it will be added. No, you should start.
It will be incremented, sir. It will
Sorry?
be incremented, sir.
So
yes, it
should,
will be incremental.
It should start with 0, no? A.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Hannah. So that's why it is reinitialized whenever you have at the end of the sentence. So you have reinitialized. Now you are coming to the next sentence. What is that? Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. So Swami,
But in next sentence, the value of A will be greater than B, right?
Yes.
Yes. Just listen. No, just listen. Whatever. Just give me a second. 3 seconds. No, not 3 seconds. 1 minute actually. Then you will understand. Okay. So see. So next sentence you have 7. So Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. So when it comes to eyes, A will be becoming 7.
Yes, sir.
And that eyes means this is. I'm just reaching to the last.
Right, sir.
Eyes.
Got it.
Eyes is there, so obviously it is ending with a full stop. Okay.
Yes.
Now come here. A is what? 7.
7
is equal to B. B is what?
4.
It's true or false?
False.
It's false. We are not going to go inside. Now come here. If A is less than B, what is the value of A you have?
7.
7 is less than 4.
True.
True or false?
True.
False.
Hey, true. A is 7 and B is 4. Who is saying this is true? This is false, na? So
Yes.
none of the if block are executed. Why? Because so A is actually, now you can see that D is storing the minimum value, no? So since
Yes,
A become here at 7, obviously it should be storing the minimum now, because this count is mean for the least number of words in a sentence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we came to the, again we have reinitialized for the next sentence. Okay? Now next sentence we have 3 only. So chalo. So next A will have 3. The last word, as soon as we enter, what is the value of A you have? 3 is equal to 4.
No.
Now 3 is now next 3 is less than
4. True.
True or false?
True.
So as soon as you see the less number of words in a sentence, you are going to update the value of B. Hai, so B will become now 3. And
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Count is still I told you now it will be count, and count will be a still 1 here.
One.
Now you come for the, now I'm deleting these things. Deleting means what
Sir,
I
last
can
time, no, sir, just a question. Last time also count one, na, sir.
yeah, last time also
So
count 1. Now the main picture will come now, because I haven't been to the first if block. I haven't been to this block. You will understand why. I will when I will execute next one. So this is third sentence. Third sentence mein 3 tha, and this is fourth. It is clear, no? I mean, it is not missing, no? I mean,
No, sir, it's
Not clear.
yes, sir. Clear.
okay. Now we came to the next sentence. What is that? Sentence
Four.
number 4. Now again check. What is that? A will be becoming what? A will be 4.
Oh,
Because in fourth sentence you have 4.
full stop on.
I mean, it is confusing, I think. So I'm just making it same thing again. And so, sorry, Control Z. Yeah. So I'm deleting these things actually. I mean, at least this one. Okay. Okay, let it be like this. I mean, yeah. So now A we have 4. We'll check now. 4 is equal to what is the value of B? You have?
3.
Still B, no? 3. So
So false.
still false. Will not go inside now. A is what?
This is also false.
4. 4 is less than 3. False.
3
Will not
false.
go inside. So now again you will update, reinitialize A with 0, and again you will go for the next sentence. And what do you have in next sentence?
Fifth, third, 3.
Number of
A
words
will
are
be
3. So A
Yeah.
will become how many? 3.
Equal
For the
Three.
last word
Three.
it will come.
Equal to,
Now
equal
A is
to.
what? A is equal to B. Do you think this condition is true?
Yeah.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is.
So true meaning this condition is true. What do you mean by that true? This is actually true.
Count will
We are
increment.
finding another
Count you
sentence
should
with equal words.
increment. Count will be count plus 1. Why? I tell you. So whenever you will see any sentence which has same number of words, the
Equal words.
minimum number of words, you have to increment the count. I mean, I just tell you. Just give me a second. What I have done here, I mean,
E has the least number of words, sir. So the sentence with the least number of words.
Sir, we are finding the number of
okay.
sentences.
See, just guys, listen. Okay, the first sentence has 4 words. Second sentence has 7 words. Third sentence has how many words?
3 words.
Fifth word, fourth has 4th and fifth has. So these are the 2 sentences which has least number of words.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Third and
Yes, sir.
fourth sentence.
Yes.
So for the third, we have already got it. B is equal to 3 and count is equal to 1. What if comes the fifth sentence? Do you not think there are 2 sentences which has least number of
3.
words? So
Yes,
whenever
sir.
this equal to should come, you should be incrementing the count.
Count.
Right.
Yes.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
What if a next sixth sentence comes? Sixth sentence comes and you have only two words. So what you will
Count-
do now?
Count becomes 1, sir.
So
Count
what
one.
you will do? A is equal to 2. Now we will check. 2 is equal to
3.
3.
3.
3 false.
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 Now 2
False.
is less
False.
than equal to 3.
It's true.
Yes.
So B
True.
will be 2, sir.
So what you will do? B is equal to 2, and now what you will do?
Count is equal to
should
1,
be
sir.
now 1.
1, sir.
It should not
what
be
is-
1 plus 1. No, because as soon as you the lowest number of word sentence, you have to make it count 1. है ना?
Yes, sir. So that's why we were assigning A to 0.
Yes. No, A we are assigning because we have to reinitialize for the counting the words in next sentence. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what this
Understood.
count is equal to 1 means in the if statement where A is less than
Means
B.
you
What-
have seen whenever this condition is becoming true, means you are saying that you got a sentence. You got a sentence. Hey, guys, please mute. No, I mean I do not want to tell at this stage. I mean you reach to the victory. Yeah. So,
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ
oh my God,
ಇದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ
I'm not able to do also.
10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇತ್ತು ನಿಂಗೊಂದು
Hey, Chinmay, can you please mute? Chinmay? Yeah. So when count is equal to 1, so the count is equal to 1 is a statement 2. And why? Because whenever you will see a sentence, this condition becoming true when you see the sentence which has the lowest
Least
number
number
of
of
words.
words.
So lowest number of words, first time you are seeing, that time you should have count only 1, no? Means count is actually what is count finds the number of sentences which are least number of words.
Yes,
But
sir.
sir, we are not keeping the record of this count.
We are keeping, no, we are keeping. So as soon as you see the first sentence, you have to count is equal to 1. But when you see the same number of words, I mean same number, minimum number of words in next sentence, other sentence also, you have to increment the count, no? Therefore, you are doing in a statement number 1.
But sir, we have seen that the third sentence also had 2 words.
For the third sentence, we have updated here. Count is equal to 1. But when you saw the fifth sentence, there you have updated in this block.
So we have the record of only fifth sentence, but not of third sentence.
Now the sixth sentence. So this is now becoming the lowest one, lower than that also. In this sentence, there are only 2 words. So you have to update, no?
Sir, lowest in terms of first card or first sentence.
First card, a card mean we are going sentence by sentence now, and A is
sentence. Yeah, sentence. Sir.
Huh. So see, so what is happening here? No, so in this block, it is updating. Whenever you will see the lower value, you will update the value of B as well as the count. And this statement or this block counts such sentences which has lowest number of least number of words in that sentence.
But the count in statement 2 will always remain 1.
No, but see, and for this case, now sentence, let us say sentence 7th you have here is 2. Now count will be here 2, no?
So we have
Now the now 8th sentence also you have as words which has 2 words, then count will be here 3. So what it is happening here, count will tell that there are 3 sentences which has least number of words. And from the question for the data set, this is also true. Means there are 3 sentences which has least number of words.
Yes, sir.
So what I mean to say is that till fifth sentence, we saw that the third sentence was also having 3 words.
Third and fifth
but it didn't record the third sentence having the least number of words.
No, it recorded. No, when you are going through the third sentence, what was the previous value of A? You had 4 only. When you saw the lower than that, you have updated the value of B as well as the count. No, I mean what we, so when we had, see, when we are going for the first sentence, what was the value of A you had? 4.
0.
You came here and what is the value of A? 4 is less than equal to 10,000 or 1 lakh. Then you have updated the value of B. B became 4. A statement, what I have told you, you have to write here, count is equal to 1. Whenever you see the first sentence, which is lower. But did we update for this one? No, na. When we came here for the sentence number 2, which has 7 words. Yeah, 7 is equal to 4. Not true. 7 is less than 4. Not true. We didn't do anything, but we only updated the value of A, means reinitialize it for the next sentence. When we saw 3, we saw
So that means
second if block.
One by one. Yeah, please raise your hand if you have doubt. I mean, yeah, Tripti, tell me.
yes, so that means if we have the value of, for example, count is equal to 3, and in the next step we came to know that there is a sentence which is lesser in words.
Yeah, 9th sentence, let us say there is a word which has only one, there is a sentence which has only 1 word.
Yeah, so we will start again count with 1, right?
Yeah, because this sentence,
initialize it.
Yes, then means you found a sentence which is lower than it also. Then count will be in this block. Then what will be? 2 is less than. Sorry, 1 is less than 2. is true condition, then B will become 1 and count will be 1. So now we have only one sentence which has least number of, so you have to keep updating, no? I mean,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
understood. Anil also?
Sir, if there
Akhil,
is,
sorry, Akhil. Yeah,
yes,
Akhil.
sir. Sir, if this, the second, if there is less than B, so the statement 2 count will also keep incrementing.
No, in this statement 2, I have told you it should be count is equal to 1. So that's why this is the correct answer.
So I couldn't understand one thing only. That when we landed upon the third sentence.
Third sentence,
we
okay,
had-
this sentence.
Yes, sir. So we had the number of words 3.
Yeah.
So at that time, this was the sentence with minimum words. So that time we didn't incremented the count.
Why we will increment count? Because we saw the first time of first sentence which has only, see, in till now, how many words you have, how many sentence which has least number of words in that sentence? How
Only
many
one.
sentence you have? Huh?
Only one.
Only one. So that's why if you come here, then this condition is becoming true because A was 4 and B is, sorry, A is 3 and B was 4. So 3 is less than 4. It is true. Then B, you made it 3 and count is equal to 1. So you saw only one sentence, no? But when you come to the fifth sentence, you saw such 2 sentences which has lowest one. So you have to update here. I mean, therefore 3 is equal to 3 is true. Then count will be count plus 1. So you till here you saw such 2 sentences which has lowest, but this became false when you saw the next sentence 6, whereas still lower than that words are also there, which is in 6th sentence. There is a sentence which has only 2 words. So you have to now count it will become 1 only, no? And value of B will become 2. Guys.
Right,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood the
Understood,
question,
sir.
sir.
Understood.
Sir,
Completely.
So can we
Sir,
move?
it's in question.
Yes, sir.
By reading question only we can get it, no, sir, because they are asking for number of the words least, sir. So the least number of words means they should be equal. Then only they will be least, no, sir. We should have, if they are least only, we should have to add, no, sir.
Least means the lowest one. The least one. means
Right, sir.
lowest.
But the number of the least words means, sir, they must be equal, no, sir. In the words count must be equal.
No,
Then
no.
only
It
there
is saying
will
the
be more.
number. It is saying the number of sentences with the least number of words. So sentences which has least number of words, there can be more than one sentence which has least number of words.
But they should be equal, na, sir. The word.
That's why. See, in this word, 2 words are also equal. 2 words are also same. No, only 2 words are there in that 6th and 7th sentence. 8th sentence also 2 words are only there. That is
Sir?
what I have written. No.
Right.
Sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in next question, sir.
Yeah. So this one I have enough discussion, I think. So those who are in doubt, I just give you one question. So I am telling now B is initialized with 0, and here condition is A is greater than B, and sentences are same. Now you tell me what will be the value of count. What count will represent? So
B is equal to 0, sir.
Searching for the largest sentence,
Yeah,
number of largest
sentence
sentence.
with largest.
So now try to do by yourself. I mean, take some sentences like this and try to execute. Those who are having doubt, no, please do. So what I'm repeating one more time. Repeating one more time.
Small
Please.
clarification.
So it's already 8 p.m. When will we go to week 3, sir?
Yeah. Now I'm going to week 3.
Sir, small.
Make it fast. Make it
Sir,
fast.
small clarification on this.
Tell fast.
Sir, in this question, second if block is first time recording this number of the shortest sentence, and first if block is incrementing out if it is finding the
Yes.
extent,
Yes.
which is generally we find in other pseudocode, which is in reverse way.
Yeah, because if you interchange, there will be a problem. Try to do that. It will be very much interesting what you will find. Means try to. So one more job. Those who wanted more number of pseudocodes, I'm giving you 2 tasks. First one is B is initialized with 0, and here A is less than B. No, now A is greater than B, and try to find what count will represent. Another one is what if this block is kept below this? Means this block and this block is interchanged. Understood what I'm trying to say? This one is
Second
So
block
if we make
and
A is greater than B, sir, then we should have to store the A in B now, sir. It will next should be also
means ulta means obviously.
Yes, sir. Then we should have to.
The next question, please, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sir,
Next
I have
question.
another doubt, sir.
Tell me fast. I mean, I'm
Next
already
question,
late.
ninth question.
Sir, when we count equal to count plus 1 and sir, when count equal to 1, sir.
Make it fast. Tell me.
Sir, when we use count equal to count plus 1 and when count equal to 1.
Where were you? I was explaining in that much detail. I mean, so please join some special session, or also maybe you just repeat the session. Means go to the YouTube and try to relook, because I have answered that one doubt. Means, but if you have still doubt, let me know in future. Means some another session.
Okay, sir.
Maybe. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Question number 9.
The first option, sir. I wanted to know why first option is correct. No, sorry, why
Because-
second option is correct.
What was the question actually? The choose the following. Okay, the choose the following at the end of A captures the minimum later count of an adjective. Choose the correct. Okay, so minimum age initial is okay.
I think second one is correct. I wanted to know why, sir.
So what are the correct options? Option number
Second and fourth.
2 and 4.
Yeah, 2 and 4. What is the doubt in? So this is greater than, no? I mean, that's why it will store only what?
Yes, sir.
A will be still A will be always 100 for this case.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So who is having doubt in this?
sir, question number 6. I have doubt in question number 6.
Question number 9. Who is having doubt?
Sir, me, sir. I don't know why, sir. Second option, sir. First, I
Second
said it by
option. Okay. Second option is correct. No.
Yes.
Yeah. If A, so this is connected with AND operator. So this condition and this condition is true, then you are going to only operate the value of A.
Acha, okay, sir. I was confused between and or. Okay, fine.
No, this is AND. No. Okay. Chalo. Done.
Sir, last one, sir. 10th one.
10th is also there.
I have doubt in 6, sir, question numbers.
10th,
I have
sir,
explained. No, I have explained 6. Please go and what is
Sir,
the-
no, there is left only 10th one left, sir. Last.
10th. What is the doubt in this? This is what are the codes are incorrect code fragments.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
So that's why this is the okay. Chalo, this is very easy. Now I'm moving to the week 3 contents.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Okay, good. Okay, week 3. I mean, question number activity 3.1, question 5. 3.1. Who is having doubt in this?
I have the doubts.
Why I'm not able to open this one? Yeah, question number 5. So this one, you have to look at the data set and you have to know what is the value ID of the card. And so what it is saying that consider a tabular representation, okay, which has maximum number of rows. So maximum number of rows is for which of the quantity or the variable, means number of items have purchased more. For that, it will be the number of rows are represented for what? Number of items, no? So
Right,
that you are supposed to find a card which are having
More number of rows.
Maximum number of
Maximum.
items in it.
Yeah, you should look at the data set and check.
It's 3, sir.
Sorry.
It's the third card in the data set.
Yes,
Yes.
please check. I mean, which has maximum number of items that will create a, and for that means that for that card we have to more number of rows. Okay.
Shopping bill.
Where is that? And what about the
Third thing.
sorry, where is the who is having doubt in this question? See, third one having, I think, the highest number of
Rows.
items. Therefore, it will have highest number of
Rows.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Doubt is clear. So what about who is having doubt in this question?
Me, sir. I have the doubt.
Navya. So what do you think? Which will have highest number? Of which card will have highest number of columns?
Third card.
Why? And the columns I'm talking about, not rows. No, please don't talk others. I'm just ask Navya. Which card will have highest number of columns? Think, no? Do you think that every card will have same number of columns?
Yes, sir.
Why, Navya?
Because every bit have the same number of things, no, sir?
Variables, attributes, correct, fields. Good. Okay, so next doubt is
The same activity, question number for the 3 and 6, sir.
activity.
Activity 3.1, sir.
3 and 6.
Yes, sir.
How many cells will
No,
the
no,
table?
no, sorry, sir. It is 4, sir. How it is option D, sir?
This one.
Yes, sir. How is option?
How many cells you have? This is simple mathematics. How many cells you have?
It is N, sir.
It is saying that if a data entry operator takes t seconds to enter the information in one cell, how much time it will take to operator to complete fill the table? So how many times, how many number of cells you have? N into F, no? And for
Yes, sir,
one
N into F, sir.
And for one cell you are taking t seconds, then for n into f cell, how many times? How much time it
Into
will
T
take?
seconds, sir. Into
NFT,
T
no?
seconds. Yes, sir.
NFT. That's all.
Sir,
Okay.
6 thoughts, sir. How is this total, sir? Option D, I didn't understand, sir.
Okay, how do we calculate total? By adding
The
this?
total means adding the cost, sir. Adding all the costs. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How do you calculate cost? You multiplying quantity with price.
Yes, sir. Quantity into price will get cost. Then you have to add the all the costs of
If
each item, sir.
if a total is not given here, do you think that you will be able to calculate total?
No, sir. We can calculate, sir.
Okay, you can calculate total, no?
Yes, sir. We can
If it is
calculate,
not
sir.
given, this one, if this one is not written here, you will be able to find total value.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
can. Yes,
You will
sir.
be also, will you be able to find the value of cost also?
Yes, sir.
If-
By multiplying quantity
Yes,
into
sir.
price, sir.
Yeah. So if cost and this one is not given, you can find the value of cost as well as the value of total. Now coming to the question. So you have this one. So can any one of the columns? So these will represent. These are the column, no, variables. Field variables.
Yes, sir. Yes, field variable. Yes, sir.
Removed without losing the information. So
Yes,
what are the
total,
options you
sir.
have? No column. Okay. ID, category, total. So if you remove total, you will not lose any information, no?
Yes, sir.
You can calculate, no?
Then we have to calculate
Cost is also
manually,
given.
sir.
If cost is also given in the option, then cost also not
It will
cost
multiply.
is also the answer.
Multiple. Right, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, anything that we can find from the data that is not a
Not a
we are not losing any information, sir. If we can find with that data, sir. If we can make the total and the cost.
that is what I was
also
explaining.
It is
No,
not any losing any. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so see, you can find the cost. So if cost is not given, you can simply multiply this one and you will get the cost. If total is also not given, you can find easily by summing of all the cost. Okay, so these two information, if it is given or not, you will not lose the information. You can get it by just multiplying.
Right.
Hai na? But if you
Only
lose
these
this,
two.
but if you lose the price, you will not able to get. If you lose the ID number, that is the important thing. Hai na?
Sir, if there was no price, but there was cost means also we can get, sir. Quantity is given. And,
you can get that one, but it should be given. Cost generally, yeah, that is also possible. Other way also. If quantity is not given, price and cost is given, then you can back calculation.
we cannot get it,
Yeah.
sir. If there is no quantity given, sir, but price given and cost given, we cannot calculate so how much
Get
the
it, sir.
quantity
We
is.
can get it. We can get
You
the
can calculate
quantity.
now. You have to divide cost by price.
by
You will get
price.
the quantity. What is there?
Right, sir. Sorry. Right, sir.
The simple mathematics. Okay.
Right, sir.
Next question. Next question, 3.2, question 5. Who is having doubt in this?
Sir, if we have not yet completed all the contents of week 3, can we ask our doubts tomorrow also?
Okay, this up to you. But this is for the week 3 actually, so that's why I have to take the doubts. Okay, so this is the tell me.
Have you done the summary of week 3?
Summary I haven't taken. But I'm trying to explain through the doubts. Okay. Yeah. So consider the value. Who is having doubt in this? Hello. Who is having doubt in this? Question number 5.
So I don't have.
Okay, then I'm not going to explain then. Okay, next 3.337. Because this is easy question. 3.337.
Out in question number 7.
In this.
Yes, sir.
So 3.7. Yeah, I'm just explaining. Yeah. 3. Question number 3. So this one, this is very straightforward things. What you have to do, I have summary slides and there I can explain it. Yeah. So see, in one of the lectures, I tried to explain something called a systematic process of hypothesis verifications. So what sir tried to find that some hypothesis, like I will tell that today it will rain. So I am just giving a hypothesis, but how much percentage my statement is supported, that type of sir is trying to explain with very simple example. So the example what he tried has given is that to find the relation between word length and frequency. So what assumption, he has taken some assumption to find the words of different categories. So what he has said that if a word has length, number of letters in that is greater than 5 or greater than or equal to 6, that is called long words. Short words are less than or equal to 5. High frequency words which has occurred more than once and which has occurred only one is considered as a low frequency words. That clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So now I have just created 4. So there will be 4 what quadrants you can say in mathematics, but 4 sections you can say here. So if I'm saying this, so this is the line which is saying that in this side, this is the vertical line separates the sentence based on the number of alphabets in that or number of letters in that. So the left side say that all are short words, right side say all are long words. But what about horizontal lines? So this say that above one is the high frequency words and lower one is the low frequency words. So if I say that how many long words are there, what you will see? 24 words are long words. If I say high frequency words, 9 words are there. Understand? But if I say high frequency words which are long, 1 only. Guys?
Sure.
If I say short words which are low frequency, 15. Short, low. Shorts are this one, but in which what I'm trying to say, low. So low is this one. So this is the intersection. So 15. Understood how I have done this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, high frequency. So one hypothesis is there. So what is saying that high frequency words to be short. So first of all, you have to find the how many high frequency words are there. So how many high frequency words you are having? How many? 9. Among that, how many are short?
8.
8. So 8. So that is what? So it says that means 8 words are short among all high frequency words. So how much percentage it is supporting? So you have to just simple formula you have to use, or simple understanding you can also do. So means it should be divided by total number of high frequency words, because it is saying that high frequency words. Now among that, how many are short? So how many shorts are there? The words which are having high frequency and short divided by total high frequency words. So it is 8 divided by 8 plus 9, which is 8 divided by 9. It's 89%. Our hypothesis is saying supporting, means 89% is saying yeah. So whatever you are saying, that statement is true. Now if I say
Can
low
explain-
frequency,
So can you explain word which are high frequency and short, how 8, sir?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Sir, the words which have high frequency and are short is 8. Oh, sir.
This is the, see, this line is vertical line which separates the words in terms of length. So these are 15 plus 8 words are short words, है ना? This side all are long words, है ना? This vertical lines, sorry, horizontal lines above are all are high frequency words, but below are all are low frequency words. Now what I'm saying that high frequency words tends to be short. So first of all, I have to find the how many high frequency words we are having. So high frequency words are 8 plus
9,
1.
sir.
9.
9, sir.
9 high frequency words. Among that, how
Yes,
many
sir.
are short? So how many are short are which side? This side or this side?
8.
This
8,
side,
sir,
no?
left side, sir.
So 8. So
Yes,
8
sir, left
divided
side.
by 9, that is that. Now if I say
89%, sir.
now if I say low frequency words tends to be long. Now tell me what will be the value? Low frequency words. You have to count how many low frequency words are there. In which how many are long? So what is the, just tell me the fraction. I mean, so how it will?
23 by 48, 38.
Yeah. Miss, it is saying that low frequency. So how many low frequency words are? 38.
38.
And in which how many are long? Long are this side. So 23
So
are long. So
23 by 38.
8. Yes. Now coming to your question. Who has doubt in this? Question number 3 now. What percentage of high frequency words confirm the hypothesis that high frequency words are short? How many high frequency words we are having? Tell me. 60 plus 20. High
80.
frequency words, 80. In which how many are short? So high frequency words are short, 60. So 60 by 80 into 100, that will give you the percentage. Any doubt? Hello?
No.
Okay, good. Now question number
7.
Acha, 7. Yeah. So this we plan to have a 3 ways of classification for both frequency and length. Chalo, theek hai. Yeah. Okay. Let us see. Read first one. Yeah. Sorry. So there is a now medium frequency in addition of high low are there. So now we have. So question number 7 is there. What it is saying there.
So what is this 3-way of classification?
So earlier, how many classification you have for the frequency? If
2-way. High and low.
What you are saying that high and
Low.
low. Now you are saying that high and medium is
Medium
also
and
there.
low.
Okay,
That is
sir.
3. Hannah, in terms of length is also there. Let me see what is there. Question. So, okay. Also, there is a medium length in addition to the long and short also. So, in terms of length also, there is a classification. So, first earlier was what is that? Long.
Short.
Only short was there, but now we have also. Sorry. Oh my God. Wait. Acha. Medium is also there, na?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Now it is saying that how many these combinations will be there, how many combinations are there. So let us see what is happening. I can say high frequency words which are long, high frequency word which are medium, high frequency word which are short. How many are total?
3 now.
So
So
high,
totally 9, sir.
Hannah, high
So,
frequency.
9, sir. I couldn't understand.
Okay. So see, I'm saying that earlier, what was we are saying that we are saying high frequency which are long, high frequency which are short. Earlier, when we do not have medium, median, sorry,
Yes, sir.
medium. Now we are saying that, can we say that high frequency words can be long?
Yes, sir.
High frequency
sir.
words can be also short, no?
Yes,
I
sir.
mean,
Yes,
and
sir.
high frequency words can be also short.
Yes, sir.
So
Like
how many are
medium.
there? How many are there?
So it came to be 3 pairs.
Three.
Okay,
High,
just a
long,
minute.
medium, high, short.
Yeah, high frequency and long. It can be high frequency, can be medium, and
Short.
it can be short. So total, how many are there? Total 3. Now
Three.
come here. I am saying medium frequency words are long. Medium frequency words are long. Medium frequency words are medium. Medium frequency words are short. How many
Short.
it will come?
3, sir.
3.
Who had doubt in this?
So
3.
I have.
Dipakshi, no. Now listen. Now low frequency words can be long. Low frequency words can be medium. Low frequency words can be
Short.
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 How many are there?
3.
3.
How many are total? 3 plus 3
9,
plus
sir.
3. Total?
9.
So there are
9.
9 types of classification we can have. No?
Yes, sir.
Dipakshi,
Yes, sir.
understood or not?
Yes, sir. But we can also see it like long words can have high. Okay, that will be same.
All are covered. So same now. Long words can have high frequency words. Or you are saying high frequency words are long. So that is the hypothesis, but the classification of words are same, no?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
3
sir.
into 3.
Hannah.
Yes.
So just you have to multiply there. This earlier. So earlier where we had high and low, we had 2, long and short. Where 2. So 2 into 2, that was 4 classification. We have now 3. Then 3 into 3 will be 9. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Same activity, question number 6, sir.
6 also you have doubt? Yeah.
Yes, sir, I have a doubt, sir.
So average intermediate and average final will be same. What is doubt in this? First you
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. How it is option B, sir?
Option?
Option B it was given, sir. The answer.
Answer is C, not B. This is the correct. Now got it?
No, sir. How, sir?
Sorry. So did you understand question number 5 then?
Yes, sir. That I understood, sir.
So average I ka matlab, what do you mean by average? AVI matlab it will be intermediate.
Yes, sir.
Now
It will
when
be
you move the
intermediate.
last card, there is no any card in pile 1. So average intermediate you got it. Now you come here. So sum will be this one and count will be this. So that average final will be same as average intermediate because average
Yes, sir.
intermediate.
That is same, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is what
Okay,
it
sir.
is
Now
written.
understood. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next we have question number jaldi. Yeah.
Activity
Question
4, number 9.
3.4 question 9. 3.4 question 9. Everybody has gone through the lectures.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in a variant of the course data set, the maximum marks in math, physics, and chemistry are 95, 96, 97 respectively. A student has scored 94 in all 3 subjects and has topped the class based on the total marks.
6 also.
Will she get a prize? We cannot say. Why we cannot say certainly? Because let us say all are girls. Then do you think that all will get? No, no.
No, sir.
That's why she has a good chance. We can only probably say. We cannot say
But-
certainly.
But sir, there was also a condition for topper to be a subject topper. But if he or she has 94 in all 3 subjects, then he's not a subject topper in any of the subjects. Then sir, how he has a good chance for
No,
getting
so,
a?
no, top 3, no, not the topper. He should be in top 3.
Yes, sir, top 3. But the top 3 starts with 95, 96, and 97.
No, no. So
But
this is no. So this is 95 for mathematics, 96 for physics and chemistry for 97. Understood? Not for the one. So this is individual subject highest marks.
Okay, sir. So top 3 is 95, but 94 is still less than 95.
No, the top 3 means in, let us say in mathematics, highest marks is 95. There
Yes,
can be second highest 94, then third highest will be 92.
Okay.
What is
Okay.
there?
Sir, one more criteria. One more
Yes.
criteria was there that one student should be either male or female.
Yeah,
So
that's
might be
right.
95, 96, and 97, maybe for all the boys. So that girl might be included.
No, so C has a good chance. That is what I'm saying. No, we cannot say direct, definitely, certainly. Okay?
Yes, yes. But C has a chance to get.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, next.
Activity 5.
Activity
In
3.5,
this
234. 234. Okay, the logic used by procedure max to compute the maximum marks depends on the parameter that is no. It will not depend on the parameters.
Parameter, or it will conduct the procedure, sir. No?
Oh, mine is wrong. No, this is false. Yeah. No, parameter you have just passed the value. I mean, it will the computation part, the implementation part of any procedure is written built in there. Means you are passing the value, so it doesn't depend on the parameter.
Sir, what does it depends on?
So it depends on the how is the implementation is there. I mean, in the max, how we have the logic in the side the logic, how it is implemented. The max is using some logic. No, what logic? It returns the max value. Means it
Okay,
returns
sir.
the max value, not the parameter. It doesn't depend on the logic. Doesn't depend on the parameters.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Got it.
Next, 2.
Question number activity 8.
In this, a few more are there. I mean, activity 3.5 that was done. 3, 4 was also there. Who is having doubt in 3? No one? 4. Who is having doubt in?
Sir. Yes, sir.
4 you are
3
having
and 4,
doubt?
sir. 3 and 4, sir.
3 and 4. Okay. The maximum total is equal to the sum of maximum marks in all 3 subjects. Is it?
No, sir, false.
A topper may not
Maybe.
the college means the total topper. I mean the topper in the total subject mass topper cannot be the topper in each and every subject. No.
Yes, sir.
Understood
Maybe
what I'm trying to say
may not
here.
be.
May or may not. Yeah. Okay.
So it is false, no, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In question number 4, I mean, what it is trying to say here question. So you have data. I mean, let us say, I'm just giving you an example of how to just understand. So whenever you're having doubt in such questions, no, just take an example. I mean, then it will become very much easy. So any other session is going on parallelly now?
No, sir.
Start session, I guess so.
TA stat session, sir.
TA. Okay. Then you can manage, no? I mean, so math marks are there. Let us say you have 3 math marks, 40, 50 and 70. Okay. Let us say I'm writing in this 70, 40. Okay. So you have 3 student marks. Again in on I do not want to follow any order. That's why I'm just changing 20, 40 and 50. Okay. So why I have taken, just read the question. So let us clone the scores data set and modify it in following ways. For every card in the clone data set. So you are creating a duplicate. I mean, cloned is what? Duplicate you are creating. How the method is explained there. So we replace the math marks by 100 minus the current marks. Okay. This is we math marks and subject from the 100. Okay. Then we replace the math marks card with a new member. We refer to the math marks in clone data set, math clone. Now consider the following code. Okay. So chalo, okay. So you have a math marks. This was the original. Now you are doing what? Maths clone you are doing. Okay. And what is this? You have to do 100 minus math marks. That is what you have to do, guys. That is what it is written there, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So max clone.
Yes, sir.
So can you see this? This is a small and this is capital. So don't confuse. This is variable and this is another thing. So max clone. So 100 minus 70 will be how much? 30. 100 minus 40 will be how much? 60.
30, sir.
100 minus
60.
50 will be
50.
Hana. Now what we are doing? Max clone. Max clone is what? It is calling a variable. So a procedure called max. And you remember what max is doing? Guys, what max was doing in the pseudocode, what sir has explained. What will be the return value? It returns the maximum value of the given data set. Remember, max. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
particular
So
part.
max is a procedure which is explained in the lecture 3.5. It returns the maximum value of the given data set. So what do you think? What is the max value among these?
60, sir.
60. Understood? Everybody? Guys, if you are not
Yes,
understanding,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
let
Yes.
me know.
Yes, I understood, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the we have another variable called max. This is a little bit confusing to understand with the upper case and lower case of the alphabets. Okay. So now max is again what it is 100 minus max clone. 100
minus 60 again.
minus what is the value of max clone you have?
Sir, now 60, sir.
60. It is what? How much? 40. So
40, sir. The original
if
itself.
this code is executed, what does the variable max store? So what do you think max is storing? It is the minimum
Shows the
mathematics mass in
original
original
value.
data set. Yes, it is the minimum mathematics mass in original data set. है ना? This is the correct answer. Guys.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Now understood. Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
please try to do
Sir,
like
can you
this.
explain this question once again?
Yeah. So what was the question here that we had some given scenario here that we want to clone them. So let us clone the scores data set, meaning we have to create a duplicate data set. And the method was explained that in following way. For every card in the clone data set, we replace the math marks by 100 minus the current marks. So that is what I have done. I mean, I had 3 students I've taken marks, which was 70, 40, and 50. Maths was there, which has to replace with the max, replace in such a way that 100 minus the current mark. And that is we take the math marks in a card and subtract it from the 100. Then we replace the math marks in the 100 with the new number. We refer this math marks in the clone data set as maths clone. That is what I have written. Maths clone is now 100 minus 70 is how much? 30. 100 minus 40 is how much? 60. 100 minus 50 is 50.
Yes.
Now we are coming here. So following code is there. What is that? Max clone. Max clone I have written is equal to max clone. And this is the value we had data set 30, 60, and 50. So this is a data set. If you use this variable procedure max, it will return the maximum value of the given data set. So in among this data set, what is the max value we have? 60.
60.
So it returns 60 max clone. And this is, I think, explained in the lecture. This is just a procedure. Whenever you will insert a data to this max, it will return the max value. Okay. So now max, you know the value of max clone, which is 60. Now next is max is equal to 100 minus max clone. So max is how much? 100 minus max clone. 100 minus 60 is what? How much? 40. So 40 is what it is actually in our original data set. Is it minimum value?
Yes, I got it.
That's why. Okay, got it. Okay, next question.
So activity 5.
3.5.
Yes, sir.
3.5, I was already there, na 2, 3, 4 explained. Now 3.6.
So it was 3.4. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. It was done.
3.612. 3.612. Okay. Oh, why I. One. Okay. Who has doubt in question number 1? Hello? Who is having doubt in question number 1? No one?
No, sir.
Okay, then leave it because this is pretty straightforward. Next is what? Question number 1, 2. Question number 2. What would be the value of store? So see, this is defined as a sum map. And I think this is for the Z. Means if you go to watch this lecture, means 3.6, some maths is defined for the here gender will be the gender, no?
Yes, sir.
So gender, if you have Z, so there is no Z is there, either F or M, male or female, hai na? So for this, it will return 0. If you go to just watch this lecture, I mean, if you watch the lecture, you will easily find the return value will be 0 itself without updating the value. Hai na? I think. Yes, return value will be 0. Okay. This is pretty easy. I mean, next is 3.8156. 3.8. 3.8156. 1, no?
So 5. I don't have in 1.
1, who is having doubt? Question number 1.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. 1.
Okay.
Sir, I have done at 88, sir, but in the answer you given like 89, sir. I didn't
Obviously,
understand, sir.
89 will come. See, this what it is the question? Assume that this is there. For next card, we pick this one. The condition in the above statement, this one, evaluates to true. What could be the smallest value of the math marks on this card? So for which card, which will have least value, means the what is that? The smallest value, for that it will be true. So what is the value of max you have? 88? True or not?
Yes, sir. 88, sir. Yes, sir.
If you write here 90 is greater than 88, it's true. If you
Yes, sir,
write
true, sir.
89, means or you have to reduce. 89 is true. 89
Yes,
is
sir,
greater
89.
than 88.
Yes, sir.
If you write 88 is greater than 88, it's true or false?
False, sir. False.
Obviously, then the minimum value of subject mass should be 89, no? Then this condition is becoming true.
Yes, sir. Minimum value is 89.
Yeah. So
Okay.
this is very easy, man. I don't know why. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir. Now understood, sir.
Okay. Question number 5. So yeah, who is having doubt in question number 5?
I have.
So before that, means do you remember what subject topper procedure is there? So
Yes, sir.
okay. So subject topper procedure is this one. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what it does, I mean, so this is like the current subject current marks, means current card information. This is the third highest mathematics marks value, third highest physics marks value, third highest chemistry mark. And these are the condition is what it will return either true or false.
False.
In this if block, it is connected with OR operator. Can you see this? So in one of the condition it is true, then it is overall true. Understand? OR operator works like that. If anybody is true, it will overall true. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So now let us see what is given there. So in your question, X is the any information, card information is there. That card is there. The third highest marks of mathematics is how much? What's your name?
Dipakshi, sir.
Dipakshi. Third highest marks is how much? 0. Third highest physics marks is 0. Third highest chemistry marks is 0. I'm not saying myself. this was in your lecture, है ना? Because
Yes, sir.
calling this procedure, you have to give these information. What are the information? Information of the current card, third highest mathematics marks, third highest physics marks, third highest chemistry marks, है ना?
Yes, yes, sir.
So let us see. I mean, so you are calling with this one, and this student has got, let us say, some marks. Let us say he's a worst student. Worst student, how much he can get marks? Tell me. In all subjects, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Huh?
0.
All zero. All zero. ठीक है. Now just coming to the question.
So, yes, sir. But
Card,
how? But answer is true, true, true for all.
So I'm telling no. I mean just I didn't reach to the answer. ठीक है.
Okay.
So the card he got, let us say the worst student, he got 0. So
Yes,
0
sir.
is greater than, what is the value of M marks? You have called with, where is that? Sorry. This is the M marks, no? 0. So 0 is greater than 0. Equal to 0 is greater than equal to 0. True or false?
True.
And this is also true because you said that he also got in physics marks 0. 0 is greater than equal to 0. 0 is greater than, all conditions are true.
Yes, sir.
Meaning, all are true means what it will return?
True.
Because this all conditions are true, no? So if any, I was just looking for one condition. If one of the condition is true, overall true, because this is connected with OR operator.
Yes, sir.
So all are true, so is more than, is very good. I mean, all our condition is true, is good. So it will go inside and it will return what? True. So
But how can we know that if it is a max marks or not? So,
because you haven't watched the lecture, means what it is, the subject topper procedure is like that. Means for that you need to call with 4 parameters. The first card information, first one, second one is the third highest mathematics mark. If you watch the, can you see this? Means if you watch that one, sir has explained that one. I mean,
so yes, I have watched it.
Hana, okay.
Yeah.
So in any, see, for this one maybe he is like 100. So in mathematics he got 100. But what about in other 0, 0? So can you see this? Let us say third highest marks in mathematics is 90 or 95, whatever. But 100 in this case, the second situation, it is 100, no? Mathematics marks.
Yes, sir.
Third highest. So,
yes.
So 95 is, so 95 is greater than, no, so card information for his card actually, sorry. So how much he has got? He is the worst student, no? So his worst student is a 0. So 0 is greater than 100. Is false condition?
Yes, sir.
But what about the next one? Physics marks 0, but he has called with 0, no? Sorry, where is that? Oh my God. What did I select? Just sorry. Okay, let me, so now see, all are comparing with this one physics marks. So let me go to the question number. The question was, yeah, so question was this one, no? So now 100 is greater than, sorry, physics mark 0 is greater than 100. So this is false condition, but 0 is greater than 0. It's again true, no? 0 is greater than 0, again true. So if one of the, there are 2 conditions which are true. So again, this whole will return true. For this one also true, for this one also true. In this case also, the third highest marks is 0. He is the worst student, he got in mathematics 0. So 0 is greater than equal to 0. This condition is becoming true. But these 2 conditions are obviously false, but one of the condition is true, connected with OR operator, all will return true, true, true.
Yes, sir. So actually I was confused about how can the marks be, we can check if the marks, how can maximum marks be 0? So we can
No, that's I mean, third highest. That's the imaginary condition it is given to check you to understand the codes. It's not logical. Maybe understand. But
okay,
there can be situations, no? I mean, there can be situations like first highest is 100. There are 3 students only. There are 5 students. Let us say First highest is, let us say 10, second highest is 5, third highest is all got 0. So third highest you can say na 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sorry?
Also, sir.
Tell me. Sorry. Can you please repeat? This question, I mean, not come in qualifier. That is what you are asking? I'm not able to hear it clearly. Can anybody tell me what she's saying?
So, sir, voice is very low.
I mean, can you please repeat one more time? Or maybe you can put it in chat. Yeah, little bit.
So I am asking this lecture, this question will not come qualifier, right?
No, this will not come, but this is good for the building your concepts.
So this lecture based.
Lecture based question I am not going to give, but we are not going to give lecture based question.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So next is question number 6 also.
No, sir. It's
Done, na?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then question number 3.9. Question number 3. 3.9. Yeah, so this is actually one of the thing. Both procedure accepts a pair of integers and returns. Okay, so I have I'm trying to explain with this one. So there is something called interface and implementation, and this is related to your procedure. So in procedure, there is something called. Someone has had also doubt in what is that conceptual dot? What is procedure and parameter?
Had the doubt.
Yeah, so procedure, just listen, just give me 2 minutes. I explain what is procedure and parameter. So procedure is actually, I mean, so I give you very vague example. I mean, so you might, I mean, you all have kitchen, no?
Yes, sir.
Where you cook food. I mean, what you do, like if you have raw materials like flour, vegetables, raw vegetables, then you cook there. So that area is that compartment is assigned for doing some particular, I mean, similar type of job, no, same type of job. Means if you will cook food there, no.
Yes.
You are not going, like, if you want to cook rice, you are not going to a separate room. If you have to cook chapati, then you are not going to a separate room. The same room, also same compartment is doing the thing. The same thing, a procedure is actually like, if you have to find the number of, if you have to find the boys average mathematics marks of boys, and another thing, you have to find the average mathematics marks of girls, average mathematics marks of boys, average mathematics marks of girls. What is the difference in these two? Only the gender. So but procedure almost are same, na? If the number will be added, then it will be divided by number of students. Only the variable is changed. So these type of, because if you write the separate code, it will be like two big code you have to write in the code. But if you write in a procedure, you have just a variable called gender, and if you change the gender, like if you are calling with m, it will return the number of students, or the sum of a student marks of boys, and if your gender is f, then it will return the sum of mathematics marks of girls. That is what it is trying to. Otherwise, if you have to write the two separate, like if you write for the first gender for the female, then you have to write for the male.
Yes, sir.
What it is doing, that it is doing the similar type of job, but the slightly changing the input parameter. So this is actually called argument of the procedure. This is argument. This is the whole implementation of the pseudo procedure.
Yes,
and
sir.
this is the return value. So this is there is a something name called sum name, I mean procedure name, how we will call the procedure. So there is a name of the procedure. This is receives gender. So this is actually a gender is a argument of the procedure.
Yes,
But
sir.
how we will call the procedure? So you have to call the procedure with called something called parameter. So here f is something but nothing but it is actually a parameter. So
So
some
parameter
math
argument are the same thing.
means what it will do as you call with some math, if you have called this procedure and f will be copied to Jane, meaning it will become Jane will be as soon as you called this guy, no, then Jane will become F. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
capital F, capital F. Then what it will do? It will go inside some 0. Then it will then wherever Jane is there, it will be F. So X dot gender wherever F is there, it will count. Meaning it will count only the. It will add the sum marks of all female students only.
Yes, sir.
And procedure also
So
returns
then-
some.
So then procedure should depend on parameter.
No, what value the logic do you think that no? Okay. Proceed. The value what you are getting that is depending on the parameters, but logic means let us say I have a which I'm calling sum.
If it is adding the math marks or just count maths, that's
If
the logic.
and B is there sum maths and this is M. So what do you think that in A what it will be the value of A? It will return the sum of mathematics marks of female students. We will return sum of mathematics marks of all male students. Do you think that by calling with different parameters, the logic of the procedure changed? It is just
No,
simply
sir.
adding, no. I mean, it is checking, adding. A logic is same, no. It is filtering and then adding, filtering and adding. So logic is changed, no, with the different parameters. But the value what you are getting is depending on your parameters.
Yes, okay.
Understood what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the implementation and procedure and interface. So interface, what are the quantity depends. So interface means what are the parameters you have passed, what are the value you have to return, and what side effects are possible. So these category, if you are changing, there is a change in interface. Implementation is procedure definition. So this whole part and the logic. Procedure definition is what? Whole logic is in this one is called definition, procedure definition. So I gave you very basic example. I mean, you might have heard, I mean, you might have encountered with two different type of ATM. How many have you used ATM cards? Now it's online, so people are not using, but also some people are using ATM cards. So you might have encountered with two different types of ATM machines, where like if you remember that SBI card, you have to just insert and you have to hold for a second and you have to take out. And you have to input the amount, then a money will come out. Okay? Another type of
Yes,
ATM, you might have seen that where you have to insert a card, it will go inside.
Yes,
And, Hannah, did you remember? I mean, did
Yes,
you
sir.
notice into it will go inside, it will ask for your PIN, then enter amount and all the things. You have got the money, then
Yeah.
it will ask for the, do you want another transaction? If you say no, then your ATM card will come out.
Yes,
So
sir.
I tell you what is the same. So inputs are same here. Means you have input your ATM card, the number, what it means the PIN number, the amount of the money. These are the same, no? In both cases, you have in ATM card, the amount you have want to withdraw and the PIN code. Both all are same. What is the happening inside? So the logic are a little different now. I mean, you have just kept and in a SBI you have just hold for a second and just take out. Whereas another bank, Canara Bank, it might be if you have inserted, it will go inside and it did all the things and it will came out. So implementations are different, but the interface are same. No, it's the input, all things are same. Your input is same, output is same. Means from both you have got the same amount of money. If you want input also, it will ask for your ATM card and the PIN, but the interface are different in both ATM cards. So just give you another example, like see, procedure 1 is the pro 1. You have input are A comma B. What is the return value? 0.5 times A plus B. So what is the return value here? 0.5 times A plus B. So do you think that this is the average marks, average of A and B it is returning? Guys,
Square root of
a square root 0.5 times I'm writing. Where is the square root?
Average.
An average, no. Another
Yes.
another procedure which is called pro 2. Input is same, A and B.
Yes,
What I
sir.
have done inside C is equal to A plus B, I have created another variable and I have assigned value A plus B. Then C is equal to 0.5 times C. And then we are returning C. What do you think that what is the value of C representing here? Average value of A and B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Both are same, na, sir?
So input, what is input are same?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Output are same?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
do you
Yes,
think?
sir.
Interface is same?
Yes, sir.
What about the implementation? I mean, what is the definition of the procedure? Inside different things are happening. So do you think that implementations are same? Implementations are same?
No.
No. So that's why in these two cases, you can think that interfaces are same, but implementations are different. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think now it will be, where is the question?
Sir, if you don't have any doubts, can we leave the class?
Yes, yes. So now question number 3, who is having doubt can now answer by
I have the doubt, sir.
which one?
So question number 3.
तो अभी बताया ना, अभी just now what I was discussing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pro 1 A, and so you understood? No, now we will get the answer.
Yes, sir. I get the answer.
Okay, good. So now, I mean, what are the doubts others?
Sir, I have a doubt.
5, 6, and 7. So nested if and else block. I mean, who has a doubt in nested if and else block? It's nothing but you have inside in if block there are more than one if. I mean inside. I mean you can say that nested. Nested means inside if there is another if block. Like that is called nested. Okay. Interface I have explained. 3 price also explained. I mean
Yes, sir. It's
parameters and procedure I have also explained. So only the graded and 5, 6, and 7. Hello? Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Graded assignment.
Let me see how much I can explain. Question number
Okay.
5. What is doubt in this question number 5?
So question number 5.
And
So
don't talk. Means if we have reached the answer also, please do not talk. Means if you have doubt in anywhere, then you ask. Otherwise, leave it.
So can you explain step 5 and 6? Step 5 and 6.
What you are doing in a step 5? X dot shop name and Y dot shop name.
And
Both
can
are.
you take only the questions? What it is asking in the question?
No, you have to think that one. No, I mean in question. I mean if I explain, then it will be like not fair for others who is not here. I mean also who will not watch. That's why I'm just. If you have any doubt in any, I mean, tell me clearly what's your doubt then. I mean,
Sir, I have the doubt in step 5, 6, and step 12.
so all are in options. So 5, no, 6 is not there. But see what is happening here. 5 you are comparing with the shop name. 6 you are adding. If it is true, then you are adding. If it is not true, whether it is true according to the statement that you have to decide. That I cannot tell. No.
In step 12, if total bill amount is more than average, so it is not written average of that shop, average total of that shop, or if it is different.
You have to see that. I mean,
Okay, sir, no problem.
yeah. 6 is. Six में क्या है?
So I don't have doubt in 6.
Sorry?
It was over. So I have doubt in question number 5 only.
Okay. Who is having doubt in question number 6 and 7? If no doubt, then yeah. Okay. Okay, so anybody is having doubt? Still there doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me then.
So can you please explain?
So what is
activity 3.4 question number 8?
One by one, both are talking together. Then how can I listen? Yeah. Yeah,
So
Pranjali.
activity
Yeah.
3.4.
Shrey, please raise your hand. Then it will be good. No.
Can I leave now? So will you
Yes,
explain
yes.
the concept, or you will just clear the doubts?
I will clear the doubts, and whenever if someone is asking, no, you can go. It's not. I'm just teaching outside of whatever are covered in lecture. I'm just explaining. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Pranjali, what's your doubt?
So what is a pairwise comparison?
What is
Pairwise comparison.
pairwise?
Yes.
I mean, pairwise you are giving as a just. I mean, what can I say? I mean, the chances should be given to everyone. That's the basic means raw way you can say that. But in what aspect sir was talking, means sir was talking related to some of the lecture, no? In some of the lecture he was both were trying to say pairwise comparisons, no? Which lecture he's talking about?
Sir, 3.4.
So 3.4 में क्या? Yeah, three price problem. Yeah, three price problem. So three price problem, like the three conditions are also only there. I mean, should be in top three of total. Total mass.
Sir, if we are comparing,
and just me.
If we are comparing a new card.
Yeah, just a minute. Let me explain and then you speak. Okay. So in pairwise comparisons means you should be you have to compare with each and every card of the given data set. I mean, if you can tell me at what time stamp sir was talking about this, then I will explain in little more detail. Pranjali, do you know at what time stamp sir was talking about that?
Sir,
it
in
was like
question there is a question.
Where?
I mean 3.4. 3.4 activity.
3.4 activity. Question number
4.
Acha.
Question number.
Yeah, this one.
Maybe 6, 5 or 1, 2.
Which one? Question
Yes,
number
yes.
3.4.
Sir, how many pairwise? Sir, question number 3. Question number 3.
So 3 wise, I mean, pair wise you are saying. I heard pair wise. Oh my god. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward one. I mean, see, let max 1, max 2, and max 3 are three things. Which max 1 is greater than max 2 and max 3. Okay. The current values are 89, 70, and 67. So let us say, I mean, if you remember, I mean, let us assume that we already compare the new card with the first. Means whenever the new card comes, you have to compare with the max one. A new card comes and it is 95. So how many pairwise comparisons among the variables and cards needed to update all the variables? So when new cards comes 95, do you not think all should be changed? I mean, max 1 will be 95, max 2 will be 89, and max 3 will be 78. Do you not think? It will be there now because we got the maximum. So the comparison, so if you know the code, if you remember the code, or if you remember the logic, it was like this. If any card x dot, what is the math or subject? Any total mass? What is that? Which marks is talking about? Maths. No? Maths is greater than max 1. Then what you have to do first, to not lose the information, you have to update first max 3 with max 2, and then max 2 should be updated with max 1, and then finally max 1 should be updated with x dot maths, है ना? So this is actually your code. So for update, so can you see this? When the next card is 95, so 95 is greater than max 1. Max 1 is what? 89. So this is true or false? Means what we have done? 95 is greater than, what is that? 89. Is true or false condition?
Yes.
True. So what you will do?
True.
Are you able to update all three?
Yes.
Yes, no? So how many comparisons you have done pairwise? Only one, no? With this one,
Three,
only
that's
one
all.
pair.
3.
See, where, see, you have done only one comparison to update this one, na? All three. So max 3 will be how much now? Max 2. What is the value of max 2 you have? 78.
Yes.
78. Max 2 is how much? 89 now. And max 1 will be how much? 95. So how many comparisons? We have done only one comparison, no? One pairwise comparison, no?
But sir, we update all 3.
So all three we have updated. We need only one comparison here.
So
Understood?
for updating one card, we only need one comparison.
So see, I mean, how many pairwise comparisons are needed to update all the variables? So all the variables are max 1, max 2, and max 3 are variables. No, for updating that one, since you got the max this value, you have updated all three with only one comparison.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so you have a more doubt? Otherwise, I think next doubt is Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shreya, tell me.
Sir, 3.4, question number 8.
Where were you? Did you join late?
Sir, this question wasn't explained.
I think I have explained. I
That
think.
was question number 9.
So which one you are talking about? Question number
8.
8. So
Yes,
did
sir.
you able to solve this question number 3, 4, and 5?
Yes, sir. I was able to solve 3 and 4, but there was a little
This is
bit
just a reverse. This is just a reverse.
Sir, I was also having problem in question number 5.
Okay. Okay. So after making this update, another card comes 50. How many pairwise comparisons are needed to update all variables? Note that each pair of cards one. So next 50 is there. The first one is C. First you will compare with max, right? Already
Yes, sir.
told that, no? So this is not true. Then you will do with mat 2. Then max 3. So how many comparisons you are doing? 3 only, no?
Yes, sir.
See, then if you are able to understand this one, then this one you are able to do by yourself.
Okay, sir.
Because you have to compare with first with max 3 now. And so just try to check. Just take an example and try to do. I mean, if you are still having doubt, let me know. I will explain. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. Good. Good. Okay. So next we have Chinmay. Chinmay, what's your doubt? And that is the last doubt I think I'm going to take.
Practice assignment, the second one.
Which one?
Practice assignment, second one.
In week 3?
Yes, sir.
Practice assignment, question number 2nd. Yeah. See. Okay. In a data set, listen. In a data set, sum t is equal to sum t plus x dot total you are doing. So what do you think sum t will give? Sum of total marks of all cards.
Yes, sir.
And sum m will what? Sum of mathematics and physics and chemistry,
yes,
like that. How do we think that sum t, how it is calculated?
Sum t total, sir.
As any sum t, sorry, okay, let me. Total marks of any card is how it is calculated?
Calculating all the subjects.
So sum of math marks, sum of physics marks, sum of chemistry marks.
Right, sir.
So do you not think that
is equal to?
So do you not think sum of math, sum of physics, sum of chemistry will be same as sum of t? No. Think. Now, see, sum T will be what? Individual sum T will be sum of total marks of all students.
Yes, sir. Right.
This is sum of mathematics
Right,
marks of
sir.
all students. Okay. So this value of this will be what? 1, no? I mean, both are
This
same,
sum,
no?
sir.
Huh.
Right,
So,
sir.
so 1 is greater than equal to 0. It's true or false condition? Did you understand what I'm trying to say here? No?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Understood or not?
You are the sum total of all subject can also be 0.
No, sir. Listen, Chinmay. See, means see, there are 3 subjects. Okay? What I have done,
Yes,
I have added all the sum of mathematics marks, sum of chemistry marks, sum of physics marks.
Right,
Okay?
sir.
And and then finally that once we got that, then we added all together. Okay? Sum T is how it is calculated. Sum total marks. And total marks is how it is calculated. Sum of all physics, chemistry, and mathematics. No.
It's always be greater, sir.
Always will be. So this value will be always 1. And 1 is always greater than 0. So it will go inside and it will
Right.
Z will be 1. Now it will
Right,
so 1 is less than equal to 1. This is also true. Then it will be updated value will be Z will be now -1. Hana? Understood?
Yes. I took it in a different way, sir.
I understand that what you have, but you think in this way. I mean, this is you have added individually, then you
Right,
have
sir.
added to the total. Here we have done in different way. We have added all the mathematics, all the chemistry, all physics. Then we added finally. Hana?
Right. I would thought, sir, the sum, if anybody can score 0, 0, 0 in all 3 subjects, sir, and total
0,
will be also
0.
0. So,
How come? No,
it
will this ratio will be never with 0.
Okay, sir.
How come it
I
will
took
be
it
0?
in out, sir. Means somebody can take 0 now, sir.
No, how? I mean, how can you take that sum of math marks, sum of physics marks, sum of chemistry marks will be how it will be 0? You tell me. I mean, if it is very rare case with everybody got 0.
Right, sir. It will be very rare case, sir.
But that is the not the general.
Right, sir. I thought that if all 3 are 0 and sum total will be also 0 and 0 is 0 will always be equal to 0, na, sir. So Z is incrementing 1. So
but,
this second.
So this is wrong. No, your logic itself is wrong. No. Okay.
Right, sir. Okay.
Okay, then. Yeah. So I think today's done. I mean, everybody is going for lunch.
Sir,
Sorry, dinner.
Okay. Z is equal to 0, sir. Z is incrementing when if sum total is greater than 0, sir, or equal to 0.
So see, thing is that this condition will be always 1. So 1 is greater than equal to 0. Then you have updated the value of 1. Now this
yes,
is
sir.
also 1. So 1 is less than equal to 1 is true condition. Again, value of Z will be updated with -1.
Oh, finally is -1,
yes,
sir.
Yeah, in both case it will go inside.
Okay, right, sir.
Sir,
okay, small doubt, sir, last. In graded assignment week 2, sir, 10th one, I don't get it. Last time you were not explained it properly, sir. You just said, sir, I don't got it. I don't get it, sir. Week 2, last one, 10th one, sir.
Let me see what is just solution I have uploaded. No, I mean it is there. I mean no, because
I thought that the A is not incrementing, sir. So that's why it is not a correct option, sir.
And in which one? Question number? No, this is saying that incorrect. Yeah, right, that's
sir.
right.
A is not getting
yes.
incrementing. That's okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
okay,
sir.
bye, guys.
Good night. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
So please
Thank you,
look
sir.
into
Good
the
night,
issue
sir.
that
Sorry?
why we can't join TS session.
Sorry?
Please look into that issue why we can't join the TS session.
Acha. Great. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. TIG all senior, na?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.